Hello everyone, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to you all on IMS Gate Academy. In today's session we will discuss about the signals and system most important question. So as you know, today we have a gate score booster sessions for signals and system, and this session is very much important for EC electrical IN students. So first of all, just confirm audio and video so that we can start the session. So if you are from EC electrical IN guys, and if you are preparing for gate 24 and 25 exam, this session going to be very helpful for you. Yes, my voice, I hope my voice is clear guys. So guys, just wait, and other student just confirm audio and video meanwhile. Yes, so just confirm audio and video first so that we can start the session. So student, as you all know about the gate score booster series and the benefit of this series, last week we have control system and even all the technical subject we are conducting gate score booster session. The intention behind that what guys, because this is the time where students need to revise all the important questions, all the important concepts. If you are looking for the good rank in the upcoming gate 24 exam, so this session really boosts your gate preparation as well as boosts your gate rank also. Yes. So let's start the session guys. Before starting the session, I am just giving a quick information about the Telegram group. IMS Gate Academy, we have created a dedicated Telegram channel where you guys can get the schedule of free YouTube lectures. You will get the lecture PDF also, lecture notes also after completion of each and every YouTube event. Today we are having 3-hour live session. So after completion of 3-hour live session, if you want the PDF of signals and system session, you will get in this Telegram group. So how to join the Telegram group guys? You have to just find the link in the description of this YouTube live event only. You will also get the updates about the seminar, webinar, PSU jobs like PSUs. If I talk about PSU, Bharatna, Navratna, state PSUs, whenever any job notification will come from the official website, we will also update you with detailed PDF, an expert session of important topics, daily quizzes and many more. So these are the advantages once you will join the Telegram group. Now, I already told you how to join the Telegram group. The link of Telegram is given in the description. So if you are watching the session live, please write something in chat box and please confirm audio and video. Okay. So student, these are the benefits of IMS Gate Academy offers offline program, hybrid program, live online program, or offline classes are at Bangalore Center or at Vijayawada Center. If you are looking for the live online program, you guys can directly contact on the given number, and once you will enroll in the IMS Gate Academy online program, these all are the program feature you will get. You will get more than 800 plus live lecture access as well as recording, all the live lecture available in recording form also. You will also get theory book, exercise book in hard copy format. Once you will enroll in the IMS Gate Academy program, we will dispatch 22 to 26 hard copy of booklet at your place, where we can say that theory book and exercise book which contain 4000 plus practice question, as well as you will get 130 plus test series including subject test, multiple subject test, mock test, as well as chapter level test and multiple subject test, advanced level subject test also there, and you will get mock test. Similarly student, you will get 12 1-to-1 mentorship session, my plan session also you will get. Chali. So let's start the class today. Now, my today's first question of signal gate score booster is this. However, it's a basic, very basic question, easy question, and I am expecting correct answer from you all. Everyone should reply fast. Everyone should reply fast. I am expecting correct answer from you all for this question. Because slowly the difficulty level of the question will increase. So I just want to set the momentum. I am starting today's class with this very basic question and expecting correct answer from you all. Chali. So student, just start reply. I am expecting reply. I am expecting correct answer in the chat box. I will feel very happy if you will try to solve this, if you will give your 100% true attempt here. Make it fast, try to complete it fast. Okay. Okay, if you want to set timer also, okay, timer will set from the next question. It is a very easy question. I am expecting answer from you all guys. Come on, come on, come on. Chali. So now student, I am solving this question. I hope you know the property. If you don't know the property, no problem. I am just revising all the properties here. I am just revising all the properties, important properties of impulse signal here, and after that we will just discuss the solution of this question also. Okay. So first of all, I hope you remember from minus infinity to infinity, x of t del t dt is always equal to x of 0. Similarly, if I talk about minus infinity to infinity, x of t dot del of t minus t naught dt will be nothing but x of t naught. We can only apply the property if the limit of integration, if the impulse function exists between the limit of integration. Similarly, I hope you remember this property also. Del of at is nothing but mod of del of a into del of t. If I will write only x of t del t, then it should be x0 into del t. So having the quick revision of the concept, minus x of t del of t minus t naught. So it will be x of t naught only, but del function also will come. Yeah. And similarly, if I talk about minus infinity to infinity del t dt, then you will say it is 1. And if I talk about the doublet signal also, if I talk about the doublet signal property, minus infinity to infinity, doublet signal is nothing but differentiation of impulse. It is always 0. So we just have a quick revision of the properties. Now here in this question, if I will apply the property, del t function, limit is minus infinity to infinity. So both del t function as del t minus 3 both exist in the limit. So we are allowed to apply the property. Now xt dot del t means x0 means sine 0. So this circle will give you the result of sine 0, and you all know the value of sine 0 is 0 only. Similarly here x of t dot del t minus t naught. So t naught will be shift in place of t. So 3 to the 6. So you will get the answer cos 6. Cos 6, and having this sign plus here, so cos 6, so sin 0, of course 0, answer is cos 6. It means option number C for Chennai, C correct answer. Just do reply fast. Is this clear to you or not? Is this clear to you or not? Yes. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. So now student, I am going to start this. Chaliye student. So student, if you want to get the benefit from all the series, try to share it and try to reply in the chat box. Okay. I know where many students are watching in recording, but I will appreciate if you will see this session, or if you attend the session in the live manner, and if you will interact, so that the session will be more interactive. Chaliye. So now student, this is a very beautiful question, and I must give you 2 minute time to solve this. It's a very beautiful question. I have created the question for you. This is a MSQ actually. This is not a MCQ, it is a MSQ. It is a beautiful question, and I know you can only solve this question if you have a strong concept. If you have the strong concept of signal and system, then only you can solve this question. Normal students are not able to solve this question. If you are not having strong concept of signal, you are not able to solve this question for sure. For sure, yes. Just take your time and try to attempt it. I hope the question is perfectly visible to you. I hope the question is perfectly visible to you. Yes. So here it is says that a signal x of t, which is described as a 2 rectangular of t and plus 3 rectangular of t minus 0.5. The first concept involved here is rectangular signal representation. If you don't know about the rectangular signal representation, about the basic notation, then you even can't start the question. If you know about the signals, then first concept is signal draw. You have to draw the signal. After that, signal addition. This is the first concept, signal addition. After that, energy concept. So student, first is rectangular signal, then second is how to draw the rectangular signal, third signal is addition of rectangular signal, fourth concept is energy, fifth concept is Fourier transform, sixth concept is the value. The value, when once you will add, you will get this. So we can take it 5 only. Now last concept is power signal. So I think around 6 to 7 concept has been merged in the single question. That is why I told you it is a beautiful question. You must try to attempt it. You must attempt this. Chali. So you have last 16 seconds, guys. Try to attempt it fast. After that, I am going to definitely explain it. But I will be happy if you will have your true attempt, if you will reply in chat box. Chali. Okay, guys. So that's all from today's. That's all from this. As far as timing is concerned. Now, 2 rectangular of t and 3 rectangular of t minus 0.5. Because I don't have space, I am just taking a blank slide here, and I will rewrite my question here, and I will try to explain you in detail. So x of t is nothing but 2 rectangular of t. 2 rectangular of t plus 3 rectangular of t minus 0.5. Yeah. So this is my question x of t, and I am looking for the to draw this, after that energy, after that the integration also y, and after that power. So student, first of all you should know how to draw it. So I am just giving a introduction of a rectangular of t by tau, how to draw it. So here actually a representing the amplitude of rectangular pulse and tau representing the width. So here tau is my width and my duration is starting from minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2 with respect to t, and this a is nothing but the amplitude of rectangular signal. So if I want to draw the 2 rectangular of t, guys, what I will get, if I am making a small diagram here, so that just below to this I will make some diagram and I will perform the addition as well. Suppose that this is my this signal, so 2 into a rectangular of t I want to draw with respect to t. So don't you think tau value is 1, and because of tau value 1, the limit should be from minus half to plus half, and the magnitude part should be 2. So this is my first signal I already drawn. Now second signal here I need to draw again. Now tell me, guys, it is what? 3 rectangular of t minus 0.5. First of all, if rectangular of t is there, can you shift this signal in the right hand side by 0.5 distance? If you will shift, eventually you will get the new signal just like this, which is from 0 to 1, Here we have a half point for sure, and the magnitude is nothing but 3 because the amplitude is 3 here. So this is nothing but the second signal I have drawn, 3 rectangular of t minus 0.5. I have drawn this, yes. Now student, what I need to do, I am looking for x of t diagram. So if I want to make the x of t diagram, I have to add the signal. And what is the beauty of signals? When you will add it, location to location, you need to check the magnitude. So here we have the minus half location, here again we have a minus half location, here we have a 0, here we have a plus half, and here we have a 1 value. So when you will add it, guys, what you will get from minus half to 0, this magnitude is 2, here is 0. So 2 plus 0 is nothing but 2. So you will reach for sure at 2. Similarly, guys, from 0 to half, here is 2, here is 3. So 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. So you will reach at 5 only. And after that half to 1, you will have a 0 value here. Half to 1, you will have a 3 value here. So you will eventually reach at 3. And after that, both sides 0, 0. So 0, 0 is ultimate signal is 0, 0 like this. So this is your overall signal after performing addition. I hope this is clear to you. Yes. So now student, how many questions? If I talk about the option number A, examiner asking about its energy. And says that energy of signal xt is 19 units. So let me take the energy. And do you know the energy, we can say short trick of energy, whenever any rectangular pulse is there, time duration is also different. So you can directly apply the formula a square into b. A means amplitude and b means width. So a square into b means 2 ka whole square into half. So I am writing here 2 whole square into half. This is the energy for the first signal. So if I am talking about this is my first, if I am talking about this is my first nature, this is my second signal, and this is my third. So first signal energy is representing by this only. Now second signal, again the rectangular pulse, so a square into b means again I should write, sir, amplitude 5 square into width from 0 to half. And next, this is all about the energy for the second signal, sir. Now third is 3, magnitude is 3, so 3 ka whole square. This is the magnitude 3, by the way. So a square into b, so half and 1 ka difference, again 1, and this is the energy for the third signal. So now you should tell me, guys, what is the energy of E? So 2 ka whole square 4 by 2, 2 ka whole square 4 by 2, so of course it is 2, plus 5 ka whole square 25 upon 2, so of course it is 12.5. Is this clear to you? Yes or no? And next 3 ka whole square 9 upon 2, so it is of course 4.5. Of course it is 4.5. Yes or no, guys? So if you will add it, what you will get? 12 and 4 16, and then 17 plus 2, so 19. So it means energy it for sure 19 unit. It means option number A for Ahmedabad is correct only. As I already told you, it is a MSQ. As I already told you, it is a MSQ. So if you are watching the session, write something in chat box so that I got to know that you are, I will get to know that you are live and we will interact it. Okay, guys? Chali. So if I talk about the energy signal, energy is 19, and for sure option number A is correct. For sure option number A is correct. And as I already told you, it is a MSQ, so multiple options can be correct. Now, student, Fourier transform concept also has been merged here. If a capital X omega representing the Fourier transform of small xt, then the value of minus infinity to infinity mod of x omega d omega is 10 pi. It is given. Let me check whether it is correct or not. So if I talk about the option number B, now I will focus on option number B, and one by one I will check. And I am just expecting one property from you. Minus infinity to infinity, capital X omega d omega is nothing but area under frequency domain, and actually it is equivalent to 2 pi x of t. Actually it is nothing but 2 pi x of t. I hope it is clear to you. 2 pi x of 0. I think it is equivalent to 2 pi x of 0. I think it is equivalent to 2 pi x of 0. Is this clear or not? 2 pi x of 0. Yes. So if I will take examiner asking for this, because examiner asking for this, minus infinity to infinity x omega d omega, minus infinity to infinity x omega d omega should be equal to 2 pi x 0. And what is my x 0 value? What is my x 0 value? Here t equal to 0 actually. So from the diagram itself, if you will draw this 2 pi x 0, so what is your x 0 value? Your x 0 value what? So student, eventually when you will see here, you will get that x 0 value is 5. It is magnitude is 5 na? Bolo yes or no? So eventually what is the signal, guys? What is the signal now? So you will say that however we have a sudden change here, but we should take the value, we should take the value 5. So it will be 5 to the 10 pi, 5 to the 10 pi. Yes or no, guys? So again it is satisfied. Again it is satisfied. Is this clear or not? 10 pi. It is also satisfied to you. I hope this is also crystal clear, guys. I hope this is also crystal clear. Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. Shraddha Lawn. Yes, yes. Chali. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Now student, option number B also look like, because 5 value x 0, and after that this, the value of x 0.75 is 3. The value of x 0.75, x 1 by half here, so 3 by 4 here actually. So 0.753, yes, this value is also correct, sir. So this is also correct, sir. 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 Yes or no? Now student, tell me, this is also a good question. Just try to solve the third one. Option number B is 10 pi. Option number B 10 pi. But here what is the point, guys? Actually it is at 0, it is discontinuous in nature. Actually it is discontinuity occur here. So if you will apply the Gibbs phenomena, you will get the approximate value here. Approximate value here. Approximate value here. Bolo yes or no, guys? Yes. So here if you will take x 0 plus, then of course it will be 5. So 5 to the 10 pi you can write. You can write 10 pi. You can 10 pi. Is it clear or not? Now tell me what about the next, guys? Yt. Can you draw this? Can you draw this fast for me? Yt equal to minus infinity to t x to d to. if you have x tau, can you draw y tau? Can you draw yt integration of this? This is the running integration. And if you know how to integrate the waveform, then just integrate y of t, running integration. And after that, whatever yt signal is there, asking for the power of yt. So what is the rule of integration, guys? If you want to perform the integration in signal waveform, if you want to perform integration in signal waveform, actually I created this question all of for you. So now student, tell me, what is the area of this, area of the signal? So area. So while the process of integration, integration says that if you wish to make the curve of a integration, if you directly want to perform a integration in signals itself, then the integration of step is ramp, and the rule says that the area of step will become the magnitude of ramp. So what is the area? So area 2 into half, so 1 area. So 1 area, it means from minus half to 0 you have to create a ramp signal which will carry 1 magnitude. Now finally here also you have to check the magnitude. So area 5 into half, so area will be 2.5. So 2.5 magnitude ramp you will travel. So 2.5 ramp when you will travel, you will reach at 3.5 actually. You will reach at 3.5 actually, yes or no? And as soon as which location will come? As soon as 0.5 or half will come. After that again we have a positive area, that is 3 into half, that is 1.5. So again 1.5 distance you need to travel. So once you will travel 1.5 distance, eventually you will reach at 5 and it is 1. And after that there is no common area, so it will be constant for lifetime. It will be a constant for lifetime. So this is my yt with respect to t and asking for its power, and of course it is a power signal. Yes, Nutan Kumari. Good evening, Nutan, Shraddha. Try to solve this fast, beta. Try to solve this fast. I will make some changes because I only created this question today for you. So what is the here? Why examiner can't ask this 2 pi x0 value? Because whenever there is a sudden change in the continuous time signal, the exact value we can't find. That is why we call as a discontinuous in nature. Okay. So why examiner can't frame this question for this diagram? Why can't frame? We'll talk about B option later. But here you will get to know that what is the power, and I hope you remember the short trick I told you. In the short trick says that if the signal is having a constant value throughout the infinity, constant value till the infinity. So whatever constant magnitude is there, just need to pick that a square by 2 is the power only. So power is 5 square by 2, it means 25 upon 2, it means 12.5. So if you have attended my classes, I have given amazing short trick to you, and by using that 12.5 unit is the power for sure. So it means 12.5 unit power for sure, it means D also option correct. Yes, D option also correct. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear, guys? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Yes. Chali. Now student, here now the question is what actually, I am just doing modification in the question. Why here 10 pi we can't comment exactly it is 10 pi? Because discontinuity occur, na? Wherever a discontinuity occur, approximate analysis is there, and approximately in the gate we are looking for the exact answer. Okay. So let me take the question as a x omega. If x omega is the Fourier transform of xt, then the value of x omega at omega equal to 0. Now find it. X omega at omega equal to 0. Find it, Nutan. I am just doing a modification here. Why? Just doing a modification here. Because xt equal to 0 pe it is a discontinuous actually in this diagram. I forgot. So that is why this is it. We can say that just I am making a changes in that question. Now tell me what is the answer. Now tell me what is the answer. So in the gate question, it will never come wherever never ask the examiner value wherever discontinuity occur. Because if discontinuity occur na, there is a approximation. And in the gate exam, we always talk about the exact answer value. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So you should tell me now what is the answer at omega equal to 0. So I am just giving you a hint. X omega equal to 0 is nothing but actually minus infinity to infinity x of t dot dt. I hope you remember this. Area under time domain property at x omega equal to 0. So if I am asking x omega equal to 0, it means you have to find out the area of signal xt. And if you are looking for the area of this, what is the area of this? When you will calculate the area, 2 into half 1, 5 by 2, 2.5 and 3.5 and 1.5, so 5. So area is 5, area is 5, area is 5. So it means area is not 10 pi, so it means option number B is wrong. So correct answer is, just make some changes here, typing error. So just make changes in the question this. So we can say that A, C and D correct. So this is the MSQ question. MSQ question, correct answer is A, C and D. MSQ question, A, C and D correct answer. Is it clear? Is this clear, beta? Shraddha, Nutan, everyone, do reply fast. Shall we go for next? So if you know something about signals and system, if you revise your concept, then today's session you will literally enjoy. And I will expect a true attempt from your side. You should have a true attempt. You just need to give your 100% true attempt, sincere attempt, so that you guys can self-evaluate that how much you are confident in the signals and system and how much you can deserve to secure marks in the gate as far as signal system subject is concerned. Chali. So now I am going for the next, guys. I hope these two questions we have completed till now. Two questions we have completed till now. I hope it is clear to you. And in this question we have learned a lots of concept we have revised and we have just discussed. Yes, chali. Now student, these two questions are the conventional type question. So I am expecting final answer for this question, and I know if you are my classroom student, it is a quite easy question for you actually. And if I just make a box for you, if I just remind you e की power minus at ut or e की power plus at u minus t, and if I talk about the energy of these two signal, the energy is nothing but 1 upon 2a. Energy is nothing but 1 upon 2a. Yes, I am just taking a quick revision. And because of exponential term is there, if this is the energy signal, then its energy is nothing but 1 upon a. Make it fast, guys. I am expecting this question number 1 first, and I am giving you a 1 minute time. I know 40-second time is sufficient, but still I am giving you a 1 minute time, so that everyone get a sufficient time. No one will feel that ki I am not getting a proper time to attempt. All you will get a proper time, more than sufficient time I am giving to you. I am expecting correct answer from you all, guys. Yes. Make it fast. Shraddha, Reshma, Nutan, it's an easy question, guys. I already given you the hint also, 1 by 2a. Why taking so much time? Just calculate it and just let me know. Just calculate it and let me know. What is the challenge in the first question? Just let me know. Okay, guys, now time is over. 3 by 8 correct answer says that by Shraddha. Okay, Shraddha, chali. So student, if such question will come now, 95% student, what they will do? Okay, 95% student, those who know about signals and system, those have a proper revision of signals and system, what they will do in the examination hall? Okay, they will do like this. Okay, question number 1 I am solving. Acha, e की power minus at ut, we know the 1.2 is the energy. So here energy is 1 by 4 because a value is 2. Okay, correct, sir. And here is 1 by 8. Okay, sir, no problem. And finally they will take the LCM. So 4 2 ja 8, 8 1 ja, answer is 3 by 8 as Shraddha got. Yes or no? So Shraddha, even Nutan, all are getting 3 by 8 answer, and they are getting 3 by 8 answer because they know the concept of energy. Now, in the option number A, 3 by 8 is given, by the way. In the option number A, 3 by 8 is given and 3 by 8 is wrong. This is wrong. Now, why it is wrong? Why it is wrong? Because energy formula is what? Do you know the energy formula? Do you know the energy formula? Minus infinity to infinity mode of xt whole square dt. And because it is xt ka whole square, it means a plus b ka whole square. So I am giving you one more standard form, if you remember, e की power minus at ut plus e की power minus का bt ut. Energy is nothing but 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon 2b and plus twice upon, tell me guys, tell me, is e की power, so twice upon a plus b plus twice upon a plus b. twice upon a plus b, twice upon a plus b. Because when you will do a square plus b square, so you will get the energy of this a square, b square energy of this plus twice ab. Twice ab means you will multiply e की power minus 2t e की power minus 4t, a plus b minus common. So like that you will get. So this will be the standard form. It means why you are not correct, because 1 by 4 is come, 1 by 8 will also come. This is the energy of first signal, this is the energy of second signal, but you are left with twice upon a plus b. Twice upon a plus b means a value is 2, b value is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So it means once you will calculate this all three, it is also cancel out 1 by 3. Whatever the answer, that is the correct answer. Just calculate it. I hope you are understanding where you did mistake. Reshma, Nutan, Shraddha, yes or no beta? Do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next? Bolo, 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 NO. Shall we go for next, guys? And if you are watching the session, just do reply in the chat box. Chali. So if you guys already completed and if you are already understood that where you did the mistake, if you already identified your mistake, no problem. Now just try to attempt the second question. Try to attempt the second question. Second question also straightforward energy. Examiner is asking for the energy for the second question. But second question energy you can only find if you are able to draw the curve of xt from the equation of xt. And it is again a conceptual question. I told you in a multiple time mathematical representation of signal waveform, how to draw the signal, how to write the equation from the waveform. You should be fast and accurate in this because these are the foundation of signal sense system. I have given amazing short trick for the same. So just draw this x of t, just draw this x of t and try to attempt it. I am again giving you a 1 minute time for this. Meanwhile, what I will do? I am just making this. I am just making this so that I can draw the curve here. I am just making the axis. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho ho. I will make my final curve here, okay. But first of all, you should try. You should try. You should try. I am just drawing the x of t here, and once I will have the xt waveform, I will apply the short trick and I will find the energy power. Make it fast. Nutan, Shraddha, Reshma, everyone, I am expecting correct answer, guys. I can see here 13 students are watching live, but only 3 to 4 students are regularly comment. Other students should also reply now. Why you are not commenting? Other students should also reply if you are watching the session. Don't hesitate to attempt, guys. Other students are not replying because they are hesitating to attempt. You should have attempt. You should have your attempt. Maybe you will get the correct answer, maybe you will not get. You will definitely have a learning. Okay, so don't hesitate to attempt. Attempt it. If there is any mistake, then definitely mistake is the part of learning. Okay, guys. So you should make sure that the similar type of mistake you will not do in the future, and you have to learn something from this. Okay, chali. Try to attempt it, make it fast. You have last 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I am going to explain it. After 30 seconds, I am going to explain this, guys. Everyone having any answer? Chali. So now student, I am going to start this. First of all, you have to check the location ut plus 3. It means signal going to be start from the -3 value. So, if I will start the signal from -3, I am having the signal amplitude +4. So, the signal is +4 step signal, and after that, as soon as the -1 location will come, there will be an increment of 2. So, +4 + 2 6. It means till -1 we have enjoyed at 4 location, but as soon as -1 location will come, we will add +2 magnitude also. So, definitely for sure you will reach at 6. Now, we are enjoying at the 6 magnitude. I am just drawing the xt waveform. So, 60 magnitude. As soon as the +1 location will concern, +1 location is concerned, there is a drop of 3 magnitude. So, right now you are at 6. When you will drop at 3 magnitude, for sure you will reach at 3. So, again you have a stop. Now, student, as soon as 2 magnitude will come, 2 magnitude will come, again there is a drop of -5. So, there is a drop of -5 means 3 - 5. So, you will reach at -2. Now, student, we are traveling at -2, we are traveling at -2, but as soon as the 4 location will come, there will be as soon as the 4 location will come, there will be increment of +6, there will be increment of +6. So, you will reach for sure at +4. And finally, at the 6th location -4, finally at the 6th location -4. So, you will get the signal like this, you will get the signal like this. I hope this is crystal clear to you, everyone. Yes. So, the first concept is you should make the curve. If you are not able to draw the curve, you can't find energy. And once you have this, you can easily find the energy. First signal, second signal. This is my third signal. This is my fourth signal. This is my fifth signal. So, find the energy A square into B. Rectangular signal energy, I am just having space here. So, I am writing the energy A square into B. 4 ka whole square 16 into -3 or -1 difference is 2 only. So, this is the energy for the first signal here. The energy signal of second 6 ka whole square into the difference between -1 to +1 is 2. So, 6 ka whole square is 36 into 2. This is the energy for the second signal plus. The third is 3 ka whole square, that is 9 into the width says that 1 into 2 difference is 1. So, this is the energy for the third signal. The fourth energy always positive because square. So, -2 ke mod ka whole square 4 only, and the difference between 2 and 4 again 2. So, this is the energy for the fourth signal. This is fourth. And finally, the fifth signal energy is 4 ka whole square 16 into 4 and 6 ka difference 2. So, this is the energy for the fifth signal. So, this is the box, guys. This is the final box, and this is the energy. Whatever the value, you can calculate it. Giritharan, have you calculated the value? Anyone who has calculated the value, just let me know. So, 16 2 ja 32, 36 2 ja 72. And bolo yes or no? 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 32. 32 plus 8 is 40. 44. 44 plus 32. So, 40, 30, 76. 76 plus 72. 76 plus 72. So, 70, 70, 140. I think it is 146. Aur bolo bhai. Ek minute, let me take again. 32 plus 40, 40 plus 44, okay. And 44 plus 30, 44 plus 32, 40 plus 30, 70, 76. 76 to 78, 148 I think. I think 148, 148. Are you getting the same or not? Just check this. Just check the calculation again and let me know. Check the calculation again and let me know, guys. You can also add like this. 32 and 72, 70 or 30, 100. So, it is 104, 104 and 4, 108, 108 and 108 and 8, 108 and 8, 116, 16. 16 plus 32, correct, 148 correct only. So, 148 should be the answer, Shraddha. Just check the calculation again, beta. Just check the calculation again, beta. It should be 140, 148. Now, why 137? Just check it. A square into B, 16, 4 ka whole square, 16 2 ja 32, yes. फिर again 6 का उसका 36 into -1 to +1 difference, yes. So 72, 9 1 ja 9, 4 2 ja 8, 16, 32, yes. Just add this 148. Is it 153? Oh, sorry, इधर 9 है यहाँ मैंने 4 लिखा है. It is 9, sorry guys. So it is 153 actually, sorry guys, sorry. 153. Actually it is 9, but by mistake I written 4 here, just typing error from my side. 153 correct answer, Shabash Nutan. Nutan Shraddha correct only. and Chandni Kumari, correct, shabash. So I think first, second correct option question correct. Now guys, can you solve this question for me? Do it fast. 153, शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश. अरे क्या हो गया भाई 153. हाँ तो 9 ही तो है. Where is 4? It's 9 only बेटा. 9 into 1 is 9 actually. 3 का whole square 9 into 1 and 9 it is. It is 9 actually, but by mistake I written 4 here. So that is why right now 148 plus 5, what is 153 only. Correct answer 153. Okay, chalo. Now can you tell me the answer of this question, guys? I think 1 minute time is sufficient. I'm just giving you a hint and you need to take precaution here. Why precaution? Because here energy is not asking for xt, energy asking for yt. So you should know energy calculation is dependent to time shifting, time scaling, time reversal or not. You should know about that, okay? If you know, you can easily solve this question. I think 1 minute 30 second, 1 minute 20 second time is sufficient for this. Come on. 1 minute 20 second time is more than sufficient to solve this. Just try to solve it. I am waiting for your answer. Yes. Everyone should give your true attempt, guys. Just give your sincere attempt. I am expecting how many of you guys get the correct answer. I will see how many of you get the correct answer. Yes. I am expecting that you will get the correct answer for sure. Make it fast, guys. Try to attempt it fast. So 153 answer for sure correct only. Yes. Anyone having the answer, just let me know. Because calculation part is also there. So if you know the short trick says that as far as the rectangular pulse is concerned, if this is B, this is A, then energy for sure A square into B. This is we know about as far as short trick is concerned. Similarly, I am just talking about the short trick says that if we have a rectangle, if we have a triangular pulse which is having the width B and magnitude is A, the energy says that A square by 3 into B. And even if you have a sinusoidal lobe which is having the width of B and having the amplitude A, the energy for sure A square by 2 into B. Like that we have some short tricks. That short tricks also become the unique part of our classes. It is never given in this form in the textbook and reference book. 34 is correct answer. Okay, let me check the answer. So asking, first of all, I am finding the energy of x of t, okay, and after that we'll comment on yt. So x of t, it means this is my first. So if I will just change the color of pen for this, because here is first nature, this is my second nature of signal, this is my third nature of signal. Yes. So very beautiful questions about to come, guys. Those who are not attending the session, they don't know how much good content they will miss. Okay. So if you want to revise your entire signal sense system, we'll cover the DTFT questions also. We'll cover the discrete Fourier transform, DFT, and we'll cover the Fourier transform, Fourier series, Laplace transform, jet transform. Every topic question will come. Every topic question will come. Yes. So energy of xt, a square by 3 into b, a square by 3 into b. So a का मतलब 4 का whole square by 3, 4 का whole square by 3 into b. So minus 3 to 1 distance is 4. Yes, a square. So a square by 3 into b means 4 ka whole square by 3 into b. b means minus 3 to 1 distance is this, and minus 4 ka whole square. So again you should say that 4 ka whole square, or 1 to 3 ka distance is 2. Again really 2 ka whole square, magnitude 2 ka whole square into, actually the magnitude here 3 to 4, guys. Yes, I think someone may be have doubt, because sir here location is not there. Location is 4 actually, 3 4. So 2 ka whole square this. So this is the answer, guys. This is the answer. So 4 का whole square 16 4 जा 64/3. 4 का होल स्क्वायर 16 to the 32 and plus 2 का होल स्क्वायर 4. ये this is the answer guys. Just let me know how many of you are getting same. How many of you guys getting same? Tell me. This is the energy of x of t by the way. And what is the energy of it? Energy of it, we know that energy is only depend on the time scaling and amplitude scaling. So here is time scaling factor is 2, time reversal independent. So actually whatever the energy of x of t upon 2, when you will do this, you will get the energy of it. And energy of xt you will collect from here. Energy of xt collect from here. Do this calculation part you can do. Shall we go for next now? Shall we go for next, my dear students? So now I am going for the next question. Just take your time and complete it fast so that we can go for next. Yes. I think my voice is loud and clear. Yes. Come on, it is again a beautiful question. Let's have an attempt, guys. Everyone should have an attempt. I am giving you a 2-minute time for this. Yes. Just take your time and try to complete it fast, guys. Yes. Sir, where can I get all these PDF? Yes, very good question. Biswajit Nayak, initially also I told when I started this session, initially I also told, again I am repeating the same sentence. If you wish to get the PDF of all the YouTube live sessions, you need to join the Telegram group of IMS Gate Academy official Telegram group. The Telegram group link is given in the description of this live session only. So when you will go in the description, you will get the link. When you will click on the link of Telegram group, you will join the Telegram group. And once you will join it, you will get not only PDF, you will get the polls also. You will get other benefits also once you will join the Telegram group. Okay. So everyone guys, let me know, join the Telegram group, sir. Very good, beta, very good, Biswajit Nayak, shabash. Chali, so that's all. Now, anyone get the answer? A, B, C, D, which option? Biswajit got the option A. Kya baat hai, I am very happy. Shabash. XT. Student, do you know this is running integration? It means we know that the running integration says that while the process of integration, the integration of impulse will become the step signal, and the weight of impulse will become the magnitude of step. Yes, sir. So student, what you need to do, if I am just making a curve here, I am just making a small curve because I have no space here. So -2, I am starting my journey from -2 to +4, okay, and -2 to +3, sorry, -2 to +3, location, I am talking about location, -2 to +3. So here we have a +4 weight of impulse, so you will make a step of 4 magnitude, and you are enjoying at 4 magnitude step, no problem. But as soon as +3 location will come, there will be a decrement of -4 impulse. It means you should make a ulta step, and after that like this. So for sure you will get a rectangular pulse. So this is nothing but the yt. And asking for the energy of yt. So first of all, what is the yt equation? Because it is a step nature, so equation is nothing but u of t plus 2. Magnitude is 4 for outside. ut plus 2 minus u of t minus 3. So ut plus 2 minus ut minus 3, 4 is the magnitude, option number A. Now energy of this, energy A square into B. A square into B, 4 whole square, 16 into 5. 16 5 ja 80, shabash. So option number A for Ahmedabad is absolutely perfect. So Chandni, Nutan, Reshma, I think A correct beta. And first of all, Biswajit Nayak. I am very happy with Biswajit Nayak because he got the answer first. Shabash. So others also got the answer, but Viswajit got the answer first. It means he solved the question. He already solved the question with very good speed. Yes. So the competition exam is concerned, accuracy and speed both are important. Chali, shall we go for next, guys? I think you guys completed this question. So now a beautiful question is coming, and this question is here, and similar type of question many times asked in the gate. I just try to increase the difficulty level more. Here DC term also there, here some trigonometry also involved here, and here also multiple concept. So every question, whatever question will come in the slide, and whatever question I have covered in this gate score booster session, I try my level best to complete multiple concept, to involve multiple concept, okay, so that you have opportunity to recall your concept. Yes, come on, try to attempt this. Try to attempt this question, guys, fast. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Yes. Do you want time? Then I am giving you time. Nah, 2 minute time I am giving you, no problem. Take your time, but you should give your sincere attempt, my dear student. Yes, make it fast. Take your time, just try to solve it fast. Let me see who will give me correct option first. Let me see, chali. And I am again again telling you, next Thursday that is 28th, on 28th of December, I am going to take the gate score booster session of digital electronics. So if you are from EC Electrical IN, the next session also important for you. Even other sessions, other branch sessions are also coming. And most important, tomorrow you have the gate score booster of general aptitude. General aptitude gate score booster, it is important for across the branch, EC Electrical and Mechanical Civil, across the branch it is important. So everyone need to attend, not miss. Timing again 6 p.m. Timing is 6 p.m. only, yes. Try to make it fast. It is a question where good amount of mathematics is required, even some trigonometric formula also required, and the concept of periodic signal also required here to solve. Yes. I hope my voice is loud and clear. Yes. I know you all are attempting. It need time actually. This question required time because mathematics involved here. Good amount of calculation involved here. Yes, sir, clear. Good amount of calculation involved here. Yes. So Reshma got B answer. Okay, Reshma, chali. Let me see. Let me explain this question again. From the starting, I will explain. Again, I am recalling, guys. Tomorrow you have the gate score booster session of general aptitude. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, and other branches gate score booster also there. You will see in the upcoming live events. Okay, chali. And for EC Electrical and CS student, I am going to take the gate score booster on digital circuits on upcoming 28th, that is upcoming Thursday. See answer, Chandni says that. Okay. So student, first of all I am coming to this, and what I am doing, guys, here, because you all know na ki x of t, sir, periodicity or fundamental time period is independent to the addition and subtraction of DC term. It means this constant term does not affect the periodicity. It means fundamental time period is independent to the amplitude shifting. So first of all 15 as it is, and what I am doing here, I am dividing with 2 and multiplying with 2, and I am writing here 2 sine of pi by 3 into t and cos of pi by 6 into t. Now finally student, when you will do such type of calculation is required in this question, do you remember the formula of 2 sin A cos B? 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B, 11, 12 trigonometric formula, 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B is nothing but sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So sin A plus B pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So pi by 3 means 60 and 30, 90. So it will be pi by 2t. You should take the LCM also, you can take sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B plus sin A minus B. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6. So 60 minus 30 is nothing but 30. So pi by 6 into t. Now student, even you can multiply with half also. We know that fundamental time period is only depending on the time scaling factor. Even it does not depend on shifting, amplitude scaling, reversal, whatever. Okay. So now student, you just need to find out the T1 from here. T1 is nothing but 2 pi by omega 1 and omega 1 is multiple of this. So it is pi by 2. So this is one box T1. The second box is T2 and T2 is nothing but this is your omega 2. So T2 is nothing but 2 pi by omega 2. Omega 2 is nothing but pi by 6. So pi cancel. So it is 6 2 is 12. So T2 value is 12 and pi cancel. So T1 value is 2 2 is 4. So now you know that the fundamental time period T is nothing but sir LCM of T1 and T2. And if you will finally take the LCM of 4 and 12 is what guys? Is it 12? Arey is it 12? Bolo na bhai. Is it 12? Shamit says that's a doubt. Shamit, you can ask the doubt beta also. So answer is what here? 12. 12 is the fundamental time period of xt. 12 is the fundamental time period FTP of x of t is 12. Yeah. Fundamental time period of xt is 12. But not asking for xt na, asking for yt. So we can say that here if xt fundamental time period is 12, then x minus t plus 12 fundamental time period is, let me take this value as this fundamental time period, let me take as a T1, okay. So T1 is also 12 because x minus t and time reversal and time shifting does not affect the FTP. That is why same sir. Shifting does not affect but scaling affects sir. Scaling affect it means T2 is nothing but 6 sir because the signal going to be compressed. So earlier fundamental time period was 12. Now after 2 scaling it will make it 6. So now again you have to take the LCM of 6 and 12. So what is the LCM of 6 and 12? 12. So correct answer should be A guys. Correct answer should be A. Bolo bhai yes or no? Is it option number A Nutan Kumari? Correct answer A or not? Shamit Shori, what is your doubt? Sir, can you explain the step in which we got 4 and 12? Huh? Sir, can you explain the step in which we got 4 and 12? Acha, this step I am okay. I am again no problem. Do you know the fundamental time period formula beta? Fundamental time period formula is 2 pi by omega. And do you know omega? Omega is t multiple beta. So sin omega 1t. So this is working as omega 1. Sin omega 2t. This is working as omega 2. So actually what I have just did T1 is nothing but 2 pi by omega 1. Similarly T2 I have did as a 2 pi by omega 2. I am just telling you guys most amazing questions are about to come. Even those many questions I have framed for you guys today only. Today only I have created many questions from you for your upcoming gate preparation. So remember that Fourier series, Fourier transform, Laplace transform, Z transform, DTFT, discrete Fourier transform. All the topic questions are about to come and beautiful questions, amazing questions are about to come. When you will attempt, definitely you will enjoy. So there is a huge scope of learning today. Okay, chali. Shall we go for next now? I think now we should go for next. Chali. It's a beautiful question again. I am giving you a 1 minute 20 second time sufficient for this. Just take your time. Why I am giving you 1 minute 20 second? Why? However, 40 seconds also sufficient, but why I am giving this? Because I know some student will feel difficulty while writing the equation. I am just giving you a hint. Try to write the system equation yt in terms of xt. Try to write the equation yt in terms of xt. Input xt and yt waveforms are given to you and asking for the system. Because once you know the system equation, you can comment on the system properties as well. So take your time and Try to attempt it. I am just waiting. As I already told you, today we have a session at 6 to 9. We have a 3-hour YouTube live session. So you will enjoy signals and system till 9 p.m. Yes. Shamit Shori, welcome beta, welcome. Chali. Shall we go for next, guys? Do it fast, do it fast. You have a last 15 seconds, guys. Chandni says that it is A option, okay. I am impressed with the speed because you replied first. Let me see it is correct or not. Sir, it was causal system, sir. How we can say that it was causal system, sir? Which system? Which system? Are you talking about this? It is either A or C. Okay, okay, I am talking about, you are talking about this question only. Okay, no problem. No problem, no problem at all. I am going to explain. Vishwajit, I have not started my explanation till now. Okay, no problem. Chaliye. I am giving you complete explanation, don't worry. Have some patience. Yt equal to, now my time start. You already attempted, you have some answers, no problem. Chaliye. So my dear student, here you should tell me ki what I need to perform in xt so that it will become yt. Oh. Earlier my amplitude was 5, but my new amplitude is 2.5, sir. It means definitely amplitude is scaling by half. So first of all, half to outside mein definitely will come x. Now my next observation, my earlier location is 4 to 8 and here location 5 to 7. So don't you think my signal is compressed? Don't you think my signal is compressed? Signal is compressed. Acha, हाँ. Signal is compressed. It means there should be x of 2t for sure come. 2t for sure will come, sir. हाँ, come. Bolo bachcho, bolo, yes or no. Is this clear or not, guys? And before that, you should tell me, is there any shifting? Is there any shifting? Yes, sir, shifting will be also there, sir. So because 4 to 8 is there, suppose that if I will shift this signal by t minus 6, suppose that I will shift the signal by 6, this signal, if I will shift by 6, okay. So how the xt minus 6 will draw? Xt minus 6 means we have to shift this signal in the right hand side by 6 distance. So 4 and 6 will be 10 and 8 plus 6 will be 14. So now you should tell me, guys, finally you need to perform scaling. If you will perform scale now, it is divide by 2. So 10 by 2, 5, 17, 14 by 2, 7. So 5, 7 exactly matching. It means here you have a 2t minus 6. So now I have a complete equation. How many of you got this equation? Tell me first of all. If you not got this equation, then definitely your answer is not wrong. Answer is not correct actually. Yeah. So this should be the first of all my answer. This should be my first of all equation. So yt equal to half of x2t minus 6. How many of you are getting? Honestly reply yes or no mein. If you are getting the same half of x2t minus 6, if you are getting the same half of x2t minus 6, then what you need to do? I am again explaining. Student, you should tell me ki whether it is all the system is 100% linear. Why 100% linear? Because no operation applied on the input signal xt. Inside the independent variable, time shifting, time reversal, anything you can apply, and constant also multiply. So linear for sure. Yes. But it is time varying for sure. Why time varying? Why time varying? Time varying what? Because of time scaling. Pure time shifting is allowed, but because of time scaling, it is time varying. And one more thing, it is causal or not? Causal or not? Let me see. If I will take causal means a system is said to be causal if if its output is depends on the present and past values of input. Present and past values of input. It means output of the system does not depends on the future values of input. Okay, sir. So let me take t value 10. So if I will take t value 10, then it will become y10, and 10 to the 20. 20 minus 6 is 14. Oh. Again repeating. T value 10. So y10. 10 to the 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6, 14. It means 14 is the future of 10. Y10 is depending on x14. Y10 is depending on x14. And we know that 14 is the future of 10. It means it is non-causal for sure. Correct answer is C for Chennai Super Kings, CSK. Correct answer is CSK. See, it is never causal. It is not causal. Who told causal it is? Who told causal? Are Biswajit, how can we say? Who told causal? Bhai, non-causal. Bhai, Chennai Super King. Correct answer C for Chennai Super King. Do it fast. Take your time fast. A beautiful question it is. Because multiple concept. Shabaz Nutan. Very good. Do reply fast. N or W. Shall we go for next or wait? बोलो बच्चों बोलो, shall we go for next or wait? बोलो बच्चों. I think we should go for next. I think sufficient time I have provided to you. Again a beautiful question where you have the scope to check your all concept, guys. You have a scope to check your all concept. Yes. Let's have an attempt. I am giving you a 2-minute time for this also. Because 2-minute time is sufficient to solve, because 5 different questions are here in the one question actually. So just have your attempt. Try to complete the question in the given time. Try to complete the question in the given time, guys. Yes. Here linear, time variant, invariant, causal, non-causal, you should know the rules. If you are clear with the properties of system, if you know all the concept of properties, it is a gifted question for you. No calculation is there. Just apply the rules of properties and you will get the answer. Just match 2 columns. Just match P1, P2, P3, P4 to respectively R1 to R5. Everyone do reply fast. I am just waiting for you. Everyone do reply fast. You have a last 10 seconds, guys. Chali. So now student, my turn will start. I have given you sufficient time. Maybe some students are about to type the answer in chat box. Chali. So let me explain one by one. Whenever such type of question will come, and you can see in the PYQs, such type of question already asked in the gate. Whenever such type of question will come, how to attempt. You should not see everything, the options and all. You just need to see R1 to R5 and just comment the properties. If you are sure about the properties, just write your answer fast. Just write your answer fast. Okay. So I will write here because this black pen, this black skin. So t x of t, because function of time. Whenever function of time multiple with xt, it is always tv. It is always tv. So function of time, a multiple of xt will make tv. So it is linear for sure. It is tv for sure, and it is causal for sure. I hope it is visible to you. Whatever I written here, why I have written here? Because if I write here, this is not visible to you. L plus tv plus c. L plus tv plus c. Is it clear? Chalo. So let me take the different color, red. So I will use. So here, because of mode expression, because of mode operation, the system is non-linear. So it is NL. NL means non-linear. Because of function of time multiple with t, it is TV. TV means time variant. And because of t plus 3 future matlab non-causal, yes or no. Integration. In the integration, of course, 100% linear. It is time invariant because in the integration limit we have a pure time shifting, and pure time shifting is allowed to make the system time invariant. So it is 100% TIV, time invariant. Plus, because t plus 2 limit is the future limit, so of course it is non-causal. Yeah. Log of xt, because of log operation applied on x, the system will become non-linear. Plus, if I talk about time invariant variant, it is 100% time invariant and 100% causal, because depending on the present value. X square will make it non-linear. Okay. And function of cos function is time actually. So function of time multiple with xt will make the system TV, and both are depending on t only, present value, so it is causal only. So now you can comment on the options. The first is P1 says that linear causal time variant. Here, first one, linear causal time variant, first one. So P1 goes to R1 for sure. And here all the options P1 R1. Oh, very good. P1 R1 for sure, yes. Second is linear non-causal time invariant. Linear non-causal and time invariant. Acha, R3 guys, R3. So P2 goes to R3. You can see here, yes. P3 non-linear causal time invariant. Non-linear causal and time invariant. Acha, R4. So P3 goes to R4. And last, non-linear non-causal. Acha, non-linear bhi, non-causal bhi, time variant bhi. So P4 R2 guys. P4 goes to R2 guys. Yes. P4 R2. Correct answer is what? Tell me. P1 R1. P2 R3. P3 R4. P4. Option number D for Delhi. D for Delhi. Yes. Correct answer D for Delhi. Guys, make it fast. Take your time and make it fast. Yes. I hope you got this point, guys. Chale. Nutan, Shabbas. Option number D, beta. Option number D is only correct for this. Chaliye guys, so let's solve the next question. Shall we go for the next? I am waiting for you. Just do reply fast. I hope it is completed. So now I am going for the next. Yeah, next. Student, can you solve this? I am just giving you a hint for this, asking for the energy of this, and it is a discrete signal A and UN. So A and UN, you can only find out the energy 1 upon 1 minus ka A square, where condition is mode of A should be less than 1. So I have already given you a hint. Now I am expecting answer from you. This one and this one, can you solve these, guys? Can you solve these two questions? But first reply for the first question, okay? I am expecting answer for this first one. I am expecting answer for this first one, yes. Yes, tell me, guys. Answer for the first question, chaliye. So again there is a confusion, guys. So I am again giving you the one more standard form, a ki power n un plus b ki power n un, where the condition is mode of a value should be less than 1, mode of b value should be less. Because if a greater than 1, b greater than 1, it is unbounded. So energy is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus ka a square plus 1 upon 1 minus ka b square. Again there is a scope of error, because some students only make the energy of this one, they forget a square plus b square plus twice ab. So when you will do twice ab na, it will become twice a ki power n, b ki power n, a ki power n, b ki power n, yes. So you will get ab ki power n. So you will get twice upon 1 minus ka ab. So this will become your answer, yes. So I am just writing the answer here to save the time. Answer is 1 upon 1 minus ka a square, it means 1 by 9. Plus 1 upon 1 minus ka b square is 1 by 25, because 1 b value is this, and plus twice upon, but last term is what, and many students I know do the mistake only for the last term, twice upon 1 minus ka ab, ab means what, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, so 1 by 15. So this is nothing but your final answer. Calculation, as far as calculation is concerned, you can do the calculation easily. If you do the calculation, 9 by LCM, 9 minus 1 is 8, so 9 by 8, 25, so it is 25 minus 20 upon 24, and it is 15 minus, so 15 to the 30 upon 15 minus 1 is 14. So when you will add this all, you will get the answer, yes. So I think question number 1 is clear to you. So I think now question number 1 is clear to you, yes or no? Is it clear, bachcho? Do reply fast. Is it crystal clear, bachcho? Do reply fast. Chandni says 4.4. Okay. I think you have all calculated. Student, here also I hope you remember the short trick. If a ki power n u of minus n, having the energy only if mode of a value greater than 1. And what is the energy of this signal? Energy of this signal is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus ka a square. Yeah, this is the energy. So again, if you know the short trick, directly apply this. So 1 upon 1 minus ka 1 upon a, matlab 1 upon 25. So answer is 25 upon 24. So both the questions we have completed, this one and this one, very beautiful questions, and in both the question there is a scope of mistake. So that is why I have solved this, yes. Shall we go for next, guys? The calculation part you can do for sure. Nutan and Chandni, you can check the calculation, beta. We have the calculator. Calculator allows, so you can solve this, yes. 25 by 24, I think 1.04, shabash. Shall we go for next now? NOW, I think guys completed with this, chaliye. So again have a quick questions, guys. फटाफट से कर लेते हैं. Power. Do you know the power? If I will just make a short trick, a power is nothing but a square only. Similarly, if I talk about a e की power j omega 0 t power, then as far as power note is concerned, it is also a square only. Similarly, you know that a cos square omega 0 t sin square omega 0, a cos omega 0 t power is nothing but a square by 2. Similarly, a ut power is again a square by 2. So these are the standard results, short trick as far as power is concerned. So its power is nothing but a square, it means 16 only for sure power, fatafat. What is the power of this? First of all, you have to arrange this. So twice into, because of sin square, can I write 1 minus cos of 6 pi by 4 into t upon 2. Upon 2 means here. However, here the frequency I can divide with 2, so I can just cancel with 2. However, this 2 and this throughout 2 can get cancelled. So answer is 1 minus ka cos, 2 cancel. I hope you clear. So 1 minus ka cos of 3 pi by 2 into t, and asking for its power. Acha. So a 1 power is 1 and here is power is minus 1, but power square a square by 2. So minus 1 ke mode ka whole square. So whole square by 2, a square by 2 means 1 by 2. So answer is 3 by 2. So second question power is 3 by 2. This third question power is 3 by 2. Not third, second one, second one, yes. So second one answer is 3 by 2 actually, yes. But what about the third one, guys? What about the third one? I am solving third question here only. I am solving the third question here only. Ye third question, ye space. In third question again you need to apply the formula half divide and 2 multiply. So and you should write twice of, I am writing sine of 4t dot cos of 2t. Why I am writing this? 2 sin a cos b. I want to make 2 sin a cos b. So it will become what? It will become what? Half outside. And after that sin a plus b, it means sin 60. And half is, I am just multiply half inside also. So half of sin a plus b, sin a minus b. So sin 2t. And because of frequency different, omega 1, omega 2 frequency different. So that is why directly you can find out the power a square by 2. A means half ka whole square. Half ka whole square, 1 by 4 by 2. Again a square by 2. So 1 by 2 ka whole square, 1 by 4 by 2. So answer is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 by 2, 1 by 4 by 2, so 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. So answer is 1 by 4. So third question power is 1 by 4, I think. Third question power is 1 by 4. Yes, sir. Fourth question is again very easy. There is a trap in fifth one actually. That is why I have asked this question you. Because many students in India fourth a square by 2, b square by 2. So answer is here 5 ka whole square by 2. I am solving the energy of power of fourth question. So a square by 2, because frequency is different, so no problem at all. 5 square by 2 and 3 square by 2. So answer is 25 plus 9 by 2. Bolo, yes or no? Just calculate it, you will get the answer, guys. So answer is 25 and 9, I think 34 by 2, 17. Bolo, 17, kya baat hai? Chandni, shabash. Now tell me fifth one. There is a trap in fifth one. What is the trap in fifth one? Tell me. I am just giving you a hint. If you know this, then no one will confuse you. Omega 1t plus phi 1. If x of t is this. I am just recalling the concept. A cos of omega 2t plus phi 2. Okay. So in this student we have a 2 case. If omega 1 is not equal to omega 2. If frequencies is not same. If frequency is not same means different, then power value is nothing but directly a square b plus b square b. A square 2 plus b square 2. A square by 2 plus b square by 2. But if frequencies are same, omega 1 is equal to omega 2, then the power formula is nothing but a square by 2 plus b square by 2 and plus ab cos of phi 1 minus phi 2. This is your power P. So which formula you need to apply in the next question? Because here frequency is same, baba. 2 and 2 frequency is same. So whenever frequency is same, sir, second repeat kar dijiye, please. Second repeat kar dijiye. Second kaun sa? Ye. Second question mein kya? What I did, guys? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. I hope you know this formula, beta. Sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. This is the only formula I applied. Are bolo na. Bolo bas. And when you apply the formula, this is theta or 3 pi by 4 multiply by 6 pi by 2 cancel out. This 2 take the outside, so cancel. I think now getting, yes. So in the last question, what is the problem? In the last question, problem is 2 frequency same, and whenever frequency is same, both should be in the same phase, both should be in sin or cos. So I should make both cos. So this is already cos. This is, can I make this cos? Yes. I know how to convert sin to cos. So I am just rewriting my question again here. I am just rewriting my question xt here because last slide don't have space. So 4 cos 2t minus 45. 4 cos 2t minus 45 degree and plus 6 sin 2t. 6 sin 2t. This is my question actually. So what I am doing? I am doing 4 cos of 2t minus 45 degree as it is. And what I am doing here? 6 as it is. And I am writing here cos of 2t minus 90 degree. Should I write like this? Because I know that if I will take minus common, cos minus theta is cos theta. So cos 90 minus 2t sin 2t. So get the same. So now you can compare, when you will compare a cos omega 1t plus theta 1 or phi 1. So phi 1 value is actually after comparison, your phi 1 value after comparison is minus 45 degree and your phi 2 value after comparison is nothing but minus 90 degree. So your ultimately power is nothing but a square by 2, b square by 2, ab cos. So a value is 4. So 4 ka whole square by 2. b means 6. So 6 ka whole square by 2. a square by 2 plus b square by 2 plus ab. ab means 4 into 6. ab into 4 into 6. ab cos of phi 1 minus phi 2. So phi 1 value is minus ka 45 and minus plus 90 degree. So your ultimate answer is nothing but power a square is 4 ka whole square 16 by 2 is 8 plus 6 ka whole square 36 by 2. 6 ka whole square 36 by 2 is 18. Bolo yes or no? And 4 6 is 24 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So this is your final answer for the last question. This is your final answer for the last question. Yes, sorry sir, I am outside of the home. I will see the recorded. Okay, Biswajit, no problem, but try to share the session guys so that other student will also get benefited. Chali. Everyone try to reply fast. Shall we go for next or wait? Yes, everyone try to reply fast. Shall we go for next or wait? Chali. So next question, I think last completed fast. I am just waiting. Okay. Calculation part you can take care. Okay. How many of you remember the standard form, guys? E की power minus 80 ut convolution e की power minus bt ut is nothing but e की power minus 80 minus e की power minus bt upon b minus a into ut. So this is the final answer, standard form. Similarly, ut and ut. So here, if I want to solve the first question, my answer will be e की power minus का 2t. E की power minus का 2t means a value. A value is 2. E की power minus का 2t minus e की power minus का 5t upon 5 minus का 2 मतलब 3 into ut. Similarly here, ut and ut convolution will be ramp function, sir. But shifting also will be there, na sir. So r of t minus 3 minus 2 will be 5. So rt minus 5. So it will be t minus ka 5 into u of t minus ka 5. Yeah. So first question completed, second question also completed. Now third question, guys. Now third question. Yes. Third question, convolution of two rectangular signal having the different time duration is always a trapezoidal pulse. And the convolution of two rectangular pulse having the same time duration is always a triangular pulse. Yes. So when you will do this, what you will get? Bolo, bolo, bolo. So I am just making a small curve here. In the convolution, lower limit should add. So minus 2 and minus 1 should start from minus 3. What is T1? So you should check this. What is T? Whether this is T1 or this is T2, this decide which one is less. So minus 1 to 3, 4 distance. And this is minus 2 to 3, 5 distance. So this is T2, this is T1. So from the first limit, you have to travel T1 distance. What is T1 value? T1 value 4. So you will reach till 1. So till 1 means here. After that constant value, next is T2. So when you will travel T2 distance from here, T2 is 5. So you will reach at 2. And finally T1 plus T2, which means upper limit should add. So 3 plus 3 should be 6. So at 6 you should end. So 6 you should end. Ye trapezoidal pulse. Final answer is A1, A2, T1. What is A1? A1 is 2, A2 is 3 and T1 is 4. So answer is 3 2 ja 6, 4 ja 24, 4 3 ja 12, 2 ja 24. So ultimate magnitude is 24. This is my final answer. Make it fast. Make it fast. Do it fast. Make it fast. Do it fast. Complete it fast. And once you will complete, you should reply fast. Bolo bhai. Every guy just let me know, shall we go for next or wait? Every guy just let me know, shall we go for next or wait? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Just let me know, guys. The Fourier series expansion of the given signal contains the harmonics. I have given amazing short trick for you. Can you please tell me directly signal satisfy which symmetrical condition? So tell me, guys, is it a even signal? A signal which is symmetrical about y-axis is always a even signal, so it is 100% even. It means Fourier series will contain only cos harmonics. But can you please tell me, guys, is it a hidden HWS also? If I will provide the amplitude shifting, if I will shift this signal downward by one value, then my new signal will be look like this. Then my new signal will be look like this. I am just providing the amplitude shifting with -1. So this signal will be like this. Bolo yes or no? So it will become +1, it will become -1. Yes or no? Because right now 2 now, if I will shift the signal downward by one distance, one magnitude, so it will 1 and -1. And for sure this one is bolo from here to here to here. So this is what? This is fundamental time period T. This is T by 2. So it is a triangular signal. So 100% HWS signal. So it is even plus HWS. So it means Fourier series as far as xt is concerned. So first Fourier series representation will contain only odd harmonics of cos term. Why sine term 0? Why all sine term 0? Because of even. And why even harmonics 0? Because of HWS. Because of HWS. Chinmay, namaste beta, namaste. नमस्ते चलिए x of t बताइए जरा फटाफट से x of t ये क्या है इजी क्वेश्चन है वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन इट इज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई ऑलरेडी गिवन यू हिंट नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन दिस इज योर टाइम गाइस सेकंड क्वेश्चन यू नीड टू डू ना second condition again the waveform again you have a scope to apply the short trick as I given to you. You need to check is it any hidden symmetrical condition. Here in the first question there is a hidden symmetrical condition, that is hidden HWS. It is even plus hidden HWS. It is even plus hidden HWS. Why hidden? Because amplitude shifting is required. Similarly here in the second question, is there any hidden symmetrical condition? Is there any hidden symmetrical condition चिन्मय? क्या बात है यार चांदनी, क्या हिडन ऑड सिमेट्री कितनी किसमें किसमें चैप्टर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में. शाबाश 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 शाबाश, ये हुई ना बात, शाबाश. In question number 2, if I will provide the amplitude shifting by downward shifting, then my signal will be look like this. Then my signal will be look like this, guys. Then my signal will be look like this, guys. Yeah. And do you know this is half and this is minus half. And this is a odd symmetrical condition. Shabash Chandi, shabash. This is a odd symmetrical condition. But it is not directly, it is a hidden odd. Hidden odd, hidden odd. It means Fourier series will contain, it is not HWS by the way. It is not HWS by the way. It is hidden odd. Hidden odd means cos harmonics will be 0. Odd means sine harmonics. So you will say the Fourier series will contain all harmonics of Fourier series will contain all harmonics of sine term. All harmonics of sine term. Even you must say that A naught is also not equal to 0. Here also A naught not equal to 0. But here Bn is 0 for sure. And An is also 0 when n is even. So for this question, An is not equal to 0 when n equal to odd. Yeah. And here because of it is odd symmetrical condition, An is 0 for all. And Bn is not equal to 0 for even odd both. Yes. So that is why all harmonics of sine term. So B1 also, B2, B3, everything present. B1, B2, B3, everything present. Yes. Only sine. Shall we go for next, Soumya? Shall we go for next, प्यारे बच्चों? I am very happy 23 students are in live. I am very happy that 23 students are in live, but you should reply also, guys. You should reply also. Those who just joined the session, we have solved amazing questions and we have solved many good questions before this slide also. It means we have started this session at 6 p.m. and the session will be continued till 9 p.m. It is a 3-hour YouTube live session. Those who just joined the session, I just want to say, this is a 3-hour session and amazing questions of Fourier series, Fourier transform, Laplace transform, Z transform, discrete time Fourier transform, DFT, every topic questions are about to come. All the good questions are about to come. चलिए, so going for the next slide. चलिए, आ गया question ये. How many of you remember this standard note? I hope you remember this. Sine of AT upon pi t. Convolution of sine of AT upon pi t is nothing but sine of AT upon pi t. In my class, I told you multiple times. For those who don't know, you can search the signals and system playlist. On our IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel only you will get. On our IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel only you will get. Yes. Sine of AT upon pi t, sine of AT upon pi t, sine of AT upon pi t, something like this. Yeah. So even you know this, if you know this sine of AT upon pi t Fourier transform, sine of AT upon pi t Fourier transform. So it is nothing but like this. From this value, from minus a to plus a, the magnitude is 1. Yeah. Sine of AT upon pi t, sine of AT upon pi t Fourier transform is minus a to plus 1. Yeah. So final answer of sine of 2t upon pi t, sine of 2t upon pi t is nothing but sine of 2t upon pi t. Yeah. Again the property, convolution in time is nothing but multiplication in frequency. So how to open sinc function of t? Sinc function will open like this, sir. Sine of pi t upon pi t and convolution of e की power j3 pi t sine of pi t upon pi t. So now you know that because sine of AT upon pi t will give you a rectangular pulse which will work as a low pass filter in the frequency domain and the duration is from minus a to a. So here when you will know that convolution in time is nothing but multiplication in frequency. So if somehow you draw the Fourier transform of this, you will for sure get a rectangular pulse from which location? From minus pi to pi. From minus pi to pi and the magnitude is 1. And here student, again the same, but because this is multiple with e की power j3 pi t, e की power j3 pi t multiple in xt, providing frequency shifting. And do you know frequency shifting always carry opposite sign. So it means its Fourier is x omega, then it's x omega minus 3 pi, omega minus 3 opposite sign. So here is plus 3 pi, minus 3 pi. It means this signal going to be shift in right hand side by 3 pi distance, 3 pi distance if I will shift this 3 pi distance, so it will be 4 pi and it will be 2 pi and this is then. If suppose that this is my x1t, suppose that this complete gola is my x2t, then here is x1 omega and here is x2 omega. And do you know convolution in time is nothing but multiplication in frequency. And the beauty of this question, when you will multiply, you will not get a common reason minus pi se leke pi 1 here, but here is 0 and 0 into 1 is 0. And after that it is signal is 0, so 0 into 1 0. So final answer for second question is 0. Final answer for the B question is 0 only. Yes. Final answer for this question is 0. Is it clear to you? Is this clear to you, beta? I hope it is clear to you. I hope it is clear to you. Yes or no? Just make it fast. I am just waiting for you. I am just waiting for you guys. Just try to complete it fast. Try to make it fast. Shall we go for next? Chali. So now a beautiful question that because I don't have space here, I will take this question next slide. Okay. So next slide I am just copy this question. Question is what? 3 into. Question is what? 3 into from minus infinity to infinity. 3 into minus infinity to infinity. Mode of sine of omega by 2 upon omega ka whole square d omega. I think this is the question, guys. देखो एक बार 3 minus infinity to sin omega by 2 upon omega का mode का whole square d omega and asking for this value of integral. Asking for the value of this integral. Yes. Very good question. So I just want to recall the Parseval theorem. Newton, do you remember the Parseval theorem? I hope you remember. Minus infinity to infinity mode of xt ka whole square dt is nothing but 1 upon 2 pi minus infinity to infinity mode of x omega ka whole square d omega. Yeah. I hope many of you remember this. Oh. Yes or no, guys? Yeah. And I know that you also know, I know that you also know the Fourier of rectangular pulse. Minus tau by tau 2 plus tau by tau minus tau by tau 2 plus tau by tau. Amplitude is a and the time duration is tau. So the Fourier transform is nothing but a tau sampling of omega tau by 2. A tau sampling of omega tau by 2. Yeah. A tau sampling of omega tau by 2. Yeah. So now you should tell me, guys, this is sin omega by 2 and omega. It gives me a hint. Can I convert this into sampling omega by 2? Yes. So suppose that I am writing here sampling of omega by 2. So if sampling of omega by 2 is my x omega, if sampling of omega by 2 means x omega, yes, x omega, suppose that, then can you please comment on the x of t? Yes, sir. Can you please comment on the x of t? Yes, sir. Because here AB1, tau B1, AB1, tau B1, AB1, tau B1, अच्छा. It means location is from minus half से लेके half. ये tau B1, AB1, ये xt है, ये xt. Then ये x omega है ये. And if in this xt x omega, if I will apply Parseval theorem, ये ऊपर वाला Parseval theorem, ये. If I will apply this Parseval theorem, then right hand side will give me 1 upon 2 pi or minus infinity to infinity or mode of x omega whole square मतलब ये sampling omega. And do you know sampling how to open? Sampling omega is nothing but sin omega by 2 upon omega by 2 ये. And इस पूरे का whole square, ये पूरे का whole square sampling omega d omega. ये Parseval theorem. Now you have to check what is required, what is not required. Simple है ये, simple है. Whatever is required, that is keep in the left hand side. Rest pile you should shift in the right hand side part. And right hand side part is equal to what? I am just writing the remaining part here. So it is right side part already written here. So left hand side part will be minus infinity to infinity. This yeah. Now which is not required? Which is not required? So it is sin omega by 2 and omega by 2 का whole square है, whole square. So omega by 2 whole square will become like this. Sir, 1 upon 2 pi outside, sir. Sir. Minus infinity to infinity. Omega by 2 ka whole square, so omega square by 4. So don't you think 4 is multiple here? So now actually it is nothing but sine of omega by 2 upon omega ka whole square d omega. And now it is equivalent to, sir, minus infinity to infinity mode of xt whole square dt. Now tell me, guys, this is 2 2 ja 4. क्या बोलते हो? Yes. It is not required. So what you need to do? Just cross multiply. Because if it is not required, so can I multiple with pi by 2 both side? So I multiple with pi by 2 both side to compensate this. Yes. Similarly, what I don't want? I want 3. So I am multiplying 3 also both side. So now you will see कि this 2 get cancel, pi get cancel, and now whatever is left it is nothing but the desired question. 3 into sin omega by 2 upon omega whole square d omega. So it means this is nothing but my final answer. So outside is 3 pi by 2 is waiting for you. And what is minus infinity to infinity mode of xt whole square dt? What is xt? Xt is this. Xt is this. So what is that? This itself says that it is energy of xt. Itself says that energy of xt. So what is energy of xt? Magnitude whole square into b, a square into b. So 1 whole square into 1, 1. So energy is 1. So final answer is 3 pi by 2. Final answer is 3 pi by 2. I hope you are getting the answer 3 pi by 2. I hope you are getting the answer. This is a very beautiful question. I am telling you, a normal student can't do this. Strong concept of Fourier transform required here. Strong concept of Fourier transform required here to solve this. क्या बात है सौम्या, 3π/2, क्या बात है सौम्या, शाबाश. Very nice सौम्या कुमार, very nice सौम्या कुमार, शाबाश, excellent. So everyone try to reply fast. Shall we go for next or wait? Shall we go for next or wait? I think completed such questions are again coming. Yeah, question completed. Yeah. How many of you remember this important note that sink of AT is always having the energy 1/A? So asking for sink square 4T value, it is actually equal to the energy of, this question is actually equal to the energy of SINC sink of 4T or sampling of 4πT or energy of sine of 4πT upon 4πT. If questions are, if all the three questions can be like this, but the answer is 1/4, 1/A. 1/A means A value 4. So answer is 0.25. And by the way, it is a gate question. By the way, it is a EC14 gate question. EC14, EC. And similar, if I will change the value 4 to 5, then it will become double E16 gate question. Double E16 gate question, yes. I am expecting this question from you as Soumya reply. So I am expecting this question from you all, Soumya and other student Nutan and Chandni and other students also, yes. Whoever here, whoever is just attending the class, just try to solve this. And I know it is quite easy for you. I know it is easy for you. At least have an attempt. Giving you 1 minute time only. Giving you 1 minute time only. Yes, take the 1 minute time and try to attempt it. Okay. Only 1 minute time is sufficient, guys. Only 1 minute time is sufficient. Yes. Yes, guys, just let me know, Come on, come on, come on. Yes, I am expecting correct answer from you all. I am expecting correct answer from you all, guys. Yes. I think my voice is clear, loud and clear. Yes. I think voice is loud and clear. Yes. Chaliye. Now, student, here time is over now. Time is over, guys. Time is over. I already told you. Time is over. Time is over. Arey bhai, time is over. Acha. Yellow. Now guys, tell me here. Do you remember e to the power minus a mod of t Fourier transform is what? E to the power minus a mod of t Fourier transform. Do you know this? E की power minus a mod of t. Fourier transform is nothing but twice a upon a square plus omega square. Yeah, a square omega square. And because in the denominator, क्या बात है आकांक्षा? Akansha says that pi/2. Acha, very good. So 1 upon omega square by 4. So a value is 2. So if I will make e की power minus 2 mod of 2. So Akansha, if you just came, then you should complete the session in recording also, because many important questions we already completed. So here is 2 into 2 upon 4 plus omega square. Yeah. So if this is my x of t, then this is my x my x omega for sure. Yeah, x omega. What I want? If I want only 1 upon omega square by 4, acha, then can I multiply 1/4 both sides? Can I multiply 1/4 both sides? 2 to the 4 get cancelled, sir. Oh, maza aa gaya, sir. Yeah. It means now I designed this. It means now minus infinity to infinity x omega d omega area under frequency domain should be equivalent to 2 pi xt at t equal to 0. 2 pi xt at t equal to 0. अच्छा 2 pi x0 अच्छा x0 ये xt. This is complete xt. Put x0. Put na x0 1 by 4 e की power 0 is 1. So 2 cancel. So answer is pi by 2. क्या बात है? Very nice. Excellent effort. Those who got pi by 2, very nice guys. शाबाश. शाबाशी मिलेगा. शाबाशी मिल गया. शाबाश. Pi by 2. Come on. Very nice. Sorry for that. No problem, Akansha. No problem. Many of students even not aware. Student, you should know about that when we have session. Today we have session from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and I am again explaining tomorrow general aptitude, not feeling well. No problem, Akansha, no problem. Tomorrow again I am giving the information to you all. Tomorrow general aptitude gate score booster session from 6 to 9. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So Saturday, Sunday you can enjoy general aptitude, quant section by Priyanka ma'am. And if you are from EC Electrical IN, you can also share this information from computer science student. I am going to take gate score booster session just like today we are having signal now. I am going to take gate score booster for digital circuits also on the upcoming Thursday. Today is Friday na, so upcoming Thursday means 28, yes. Chalo. Shall we go for next now? I think voice is clear, voice is loud and clear. Now going for the next. Yeah, come on. It's a gift for you. It's a gift for you, and I am very much confident that if you are my classroom student, you can easily solve this question within 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And your 5 second, 10 second will start after reading the question. Once you will read the question, your time will start. So let me give you 40-second time. Come on. In general, I am giving you 40-second time, no problem, because even you have attended my sessions on YouTube also, you can solve this question. Whether you are my YouTube students or my offline students, online students, I have taught these subjects, signals and system control, digital, for the gate students and for the engineering services student. I am mentored from the last 13 years. So if you are my ex-student, you can also solve this question within seconds, guys. Sir, continuous signal is Sir, continue signals and system playlist, sir. Okay, Tejendar. So in signals and system playlist, very good question. We are left with discrete time Fourier. Yes. So discrete time Fourier I am going to start in New Year, beta. New Year. I am just telling you the dates also. Waiting for long, sir. Yes, Tejendar. Extremely sorry for the same, beta. I am continuously busy in the offline classes, online classes. Back to back classes I am busy, so that is why I am not able to start, and eventually in between gate score booster also started, so that is why. But I am telling you right now, the signals and system playlist is completed, and just we are left with the discrete Fourier, DFT, discrete Fourier analysis. So that lectures we are going to cover in the month of January. And if you want a date now, then it should be between 5th Jan to 8th Jan. Yes, between 5th Jan to 8th Jan will start. Okay, between 5th Jan to 8th Jan will start, and you will get the date in the session in the upcoming live events. Okay, I will create the links, YouTube links in advance. Okay, बताओ ना भाई आंसर इसका यार. A for Ahmedabad. क्या बात है. Do you know it is even signal? Yes, sir. Do you know it is a even signal plus hidden HWS signal? Is it a hidden HWS, guys? Do reply flag. How many of you guys observe this? Is it a hidden HWS signal? Yes, sir, hidden HWS signal. Because if you will provide the amplitude shifting by half magnitude, if you will add this signal minus half value in this. So student, we are left with only 4 to 5 lecture, na? Discrete Fourier transform DFT is only lecture. 4 to 5 lecture only required. So 1 week is only sufficient. 4 to 5 lecture is only sufficient. Even 1 hour lecture will take. So 4 to 5 lectures. Okay, beta. Chalo. Even and hidden harmonics, it means Fourier series will contain in terms of coefficient. Of course, hidden it means a0 not equal to 0. And because of even, an is equal to 0 when n equal to even. And an is not equal to 0 when n equal to odd. but because this signal is even signal, so Bn value is 0 for sure. So as far as coefficients are concerned, this is the answer. And as far as harmonics are concerned, odd harmonics of cos term, so it means Fourier series will contain a0 plus a1 cos omega 0 t, a1, a3, a5 like this. So I am big fan. I am fan of your lecture, sir. Very good, beta. Thank you for your words. Tejender Veera, thanks a lot for your lovely words. Just share your experience. आपकी dialogue मेरा motivation है. शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश Tejender. So if anyone really want to say thanks to Ankur sir lectures, there is only one way. Just share your experience to maximum. All the juniors, all the classmates, wherever there is a scope to share, you should share with full of excitement and full of confidence. Is it clear, guys? बताइए पूरे इंडिया में कि काहे पड़े हो चक्कर में, कोई नहीं है टक्कर में. Yes or no, guys? काफी दिनों बाद हमने ये डायलॉग मारा है. So if you are looking for the unmatchable learning of control signal digital, just follow Ankur sir. Just follow the IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel. I am telling you guys at IMS Gate Academy platform, you will get more than your expectation. Everything I have planned for you across the branches. I am handling here a complete Gate academic spot across the branches. So student, I am telling you, I just make sure you, as far as test series is concerned, as far as content is concerned, as far as classes is concerned, as far as exercise problems are concerned, we are providing you 30 booklets, everything is there. A good student who really want to make the good rank, they will get more than their expectation. They will get more than their expectation. Yes, chaliye. 130 test we are providing, 130 plus. In India, no one is providing 130 plus test. We are providing 130 plus test. Yes. चलो चलेंगे आगे. Shall we go for next? ये बताओ जरा. उड़ा दो हवा में. Can you solve this question without using notebook and pen? Yay. So I am starting this question from this. Take your time. Just try to complete it. Meanwhile, I am also explaining. E की power minus 4t ut. Fourier transform is nothing but 1 upon 4 plus j omega. Do you want to have a try, guys? Sir, please, EDC analog. Nutan Kumari. Nutan, EDC, sir, big fan of you and Priyanka ma'am, sir. Akansha Vashisht. Thank you for the effort. Okay. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much for your lovely words, beta. You're most welcome. You're most welcome. Thanks to share your experience here. I will also convey your information to Priyanka ma'am. Okay. So as a faculty, Priyanka ma'am also will feel happy because your students' comments makes happy. The students' comments actually makes happy to faculty. So as a teacher, the best reward is the student response, true response which come from heart. Yes or no? Sorry, shabash guys. Just let me know. Very good, Loyan Army, shabash. Tell me the answer now. Is it A, B, C, D? Which option? I think many students already got the. Make it fast. Just write your answer in chat box, guys. Just write your answer in chat box. Come on. Come on, Loyan Army. Come on, बताइए. What is the answer? E की power minus 80 ut. Actually, I am also solving here. So E की power minus का 4. If I will provide time shifting, sir, if this is x omega. So time shifting means t minus 1 or ut minus 1. Then time shifting always carries same sign, sir. So E की power minus का j omega upon 4 plus j omega. Upon 4 plus j. Yeah. But when you will see the question, question is not like this. E की power minus 40. When you will open the bracket, you will get e की power minus 40 and e की power minus plus 4. And here is ut minus 1. And Fourier transform is nothing but e की power minus का j omega upon 4 plus j omega. So if you want this expression, then both sides you have to multiply with e की power minus 4. So if you attended my classes, this is the also standard form, guys. E की power minus 4t, u of t minus 1. E की power minus also you can take common, na? So Fourier transform is nothing but e की power minus का 4. E की power minus common only. So it will be 4 plus j omega upon 4 plus j omega. और बोलो यार, correct answer is D for Delhi. E की power minus common 4 plus j omega. Option number D for Delhi, sir. I know many students got the answer. Chandni, Akansha, Soumya. Chandni, C is not correct, beta, because minus sign is answer D is correct, I think. Yes. I am very happy that you all are attempting it parallelly with me. Shall we go for next now? Yes. Easy question actually it is. Actually it is easy question. Chalo, ये तो उससे भी easy question. Come on. Only 20 seconds required. Sir, why you are giving 20 seconds? 10 seconds only. Chalo, only 10 to 20 seconds. That is the even the lag also here. So even if you will comment, na, your comment will display after 10 to 15 seconds. Yes, it will come to me after 10 to 20 seconds. Yes. सर एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर, प्लीज ईडीसी एनालॉग कम्युनिकेशन के भी मोर सेशन लाइए सर. बेटा एनालॉग और ईडीसी आई थिंक रिसेंटली गेट स्कोर बूस्टर कवर्ड, and I am just telling you in the month, for the month of January I am planning. Okay, so what I am planning in the month of January now, in the month of January I am planning the complete subject revision through formulas. Okay, so again we are planning this long duration sessions like 3-hour session, and in that session faculty will come and they will revise every complete subject with the formulas. So where EDC also come, analog also will come. Okay, like that. And if you want the foundation learning, then in the playlist also foundation EDC and analog lectures are there, so you can find. Okay, बताओ ना answer 1 by 8. What is the answer of this question? What is the answer of this question? Come on, what is the answer? What is the answer, guys? ये sin of a pi t upon a pi t. Don't you think it is e? अरे ये क्या हुआ भाई? ये क्या हुआ? Sin of a pi t upon, so don't you think it is sampling of 8 pi t? And don't you think it is equivalent to sinc of 8t? And do you know what is the answer of this? Nutan, thank you. Welcome, beta, welcome. What is the answer of this? Here, why you are not giving the answer, guys? Do you know the answer of this? Minus infinity to infinity, x square t. X square t means actually sinc square 8t dt. So answer is 1 by 8 na? Nagarjun sir, I want to prepare for GATE 25 sir. Where can I get the full GATE EC course sir? If there is any app available sir. Nagarjun, very good question. Nagarjun, I am just giving you help. I am just providing you a number. Okay, beta, number. You can just write the number where you can contact. Okay, IMS GATE Academy providing the complete comprehensive course of GATE, unmatchable in India. Yeah, I am just showing the number in between. I will come again to the topic. I am just taking the query of Nagarjun. Nagarjun, you can take the number, beta, and you can ask them कि I have just took the number from Ankur sir YouTube session video. So here, whoever executive will talk to you, they will guide you completely about your GATE preparation. Whatever doubt in your mind, how the class is going on, how much content you will get, everything you can ask to the expert. So here both the numbers, you can write down the number. I think your number already note down. I think you already note down the number. Shabash. So now coming to the, I am very happy that many students already replied the correct answer. We have a trap here, but my student already replied correctly. This is equivalent to 1 by 8. But I am not asking this, I am asking this 0 2. And do you know sinc function is even function? So you can also write like this. In the even function, we can split the limit from 0 to infinity. We can take the positive half only and multiple with 2. So it will be twice into sinc square 8t dt is equal to 1 by 8. Yeah. And do you know if you will only take this 0 to infinity value, it means 2 value you have to cross multiply. So if you will multiply cross, then answer is 1 by 16. Shabash. Correct answer is 1 by 16 for this question. Shabash, bachcho, shabash. Shabash, Soumya, Akansha, very nice. Chali. Very good, very nice, very nice. Chalo, ye batao jara. This is very important because why this is Gaussian pulse is important? Because in GATE 23, this year GATE question asked. In GATE 21 also 2 marks GATE question asked. So I hope you remember the standard form. e की power minus pi t square. Gaussian pulse Fourier transform is also Gaussian pulsar. It is e की power minus का omega square by 4 pi. And if you know the omega value 2 pi, if you know the omega value is 2 pi f. So when I will put here omega value 2 pi f na, then e की power minus का 2 pi f means 4 pi square f square. So 4 get cancel, pi or 1 pi cancel. So it will be e की power minus का pi f square, ये, which is given to us. It is equivalent, e की power minus pi t square, equivalent, ये. These are the standard result. And I hope you remember one more standard result, e की power minus at square. Fourier transform is nothing but root pi by a e की power minus का omega square by 4a, ये omega square by 4a. I hope you remember this. I hope you remember this. An examiner asking the same only, ये e की power minus alpha. So a is replaced with alpha. So e की power minus का alpha t square. Fourier transform is nothing but root pi by alpha. First of all, root pi by alpha. Root pi by alpha e की power minus का omega square. So in place of omega square, it is omega square by 4a. So omega square means I am putting 4 pi, I am putting 2 pi f. So omega square means 4 pi square f square upon 4a. Yeah, 4a. It means answer is what? Answer is what? Answer is what? Tell me guys. 4 to 4 cancel na. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? हाँ या ना? So answer will be 4 to 4 cancel, sir. So answer will be nothing but a or alpha. So answer is nothing but root pi by alpha e की power minus pi square f square by alpha. Yes, pi square f. So answer is option number B for Bombay. Exactly correct answer. Yeah, exactly correct answer. Shabash. Just do it fast. Just try to make it fast, बच्चों. Every student just do reply fast. Shall we go for next or wait? Shall we go for next or wait पर बच्चों? Just let me know guys, N or W. Every student tell me, shall we go for next? Yes sir, next चलिए. Okay guys, so next question is here. बताओ भाई ये very beautiful question. Do you want to try this? Do you want to try this property based question? चलिए. So student, I am also explaining. You should also try. I am not giving timer. So student, just let me know if xt Fourier transform is x omega. Property based question. So what is xt minus 1? Time shifting, same sign. So it is e की power minus का j omega x omega. Second thing is d3. Okay. So d3 upon dt cube xt minus 1 Fourier transform. Because differentiation 3 times, so it will make you j omega का whole cube e की power minus का j omega x of omega. यहाँ तक no problems. यहाँ तक no problems. And finally, whatever the signal it is gola, white gola, we have to multiple with e की power j2t, e की power j2t, and whatever the rest part as it is I am writing dash dash. And do you know what is the meaning of this? Frequency shifting always carry opposite sign. It means wherever is omega now replace with omega minus 2. So j cube is minus j. J cube is minus j. Omega cube means omega minus 2 का whole cube. Wherever is omega, it will replace with omega minus 2. So e की power minus का j omega minus 2 and x of omega minus 2. Yeah. So this is nothing but the answer, guys. This is nothing but the final answer, guys. Yeah. This is nothing but the final answer. So tell me minus का j e की power minus का j omega minus का 2 omega minus 2 का whole cube. Is it option number A for Ahmedabad? बोलो ना भाई. Is it matching with A? Akansha, shabash. So how many properties here? 3 properties here. Time shifting, frequency shifting, and differentiation in time. Differentiation properties. 3 properties merge in a single expression. Generally 3 properties, if combined in a one expression, generally it confused to normal students. Bolo bhai. Shall we go for next or wait? Yes. चलिए नेक्स्ट ये, can you verbally solve this question guys? Can you verbally solve this question guys? It is a tricky question, easy question, no calculation. I will feel very happy if you will give me the answer correctly. Chalo, your time start now, your time start now, and let me give you this time only seconds, 50 seconds, okay, 40 seconds, chalo. 40 seconds is sufficient. 40 second time is sufficient to solve this, come on. Take your time and try to complete it, I am just waiting. I am just waiting, come on. चले गए. Answer is A. Are you sure for this question, beta? Tell me first of all, you have to check the fundamental frequency omega 0 by using this formula HCF of omega 1 and omega 2. And do you know omega 1 is 4? So HCF of 4 and 12. So HCF of 4 and 12 is nothing but 4. So it means fundamental frequency is 4. It means this term will give you A1 coefficient. This is the first harmonics. And second harmonics having the frequency 8. Third harmonics 12. So asking for the amplitude of second harmonics is not there, so 0. So answer is Chennai Super King CSK. CSK, बोलो क्या बोलते हो, हाँ या ना? Is this clear बच्चों? Is this clear बच्चों? अरे प्यारे बच्चों, is it clear? Shall we go for next? 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 बोलो ना. चलिए, easy question, that is why easy question, that is why should not take more time. चलिए, what is the answer of this question? Come on, come on India, come on India. चलो 40 second. Do you want 50 second? चलो, I need 50. I am giving you 50 second time for this. I'm just giving you 50 second time for this. Take your time and try to complete it. Take your time and try to complete it. Yes. बोलो बोलो 2. क्या बात है, आंसर 2. Come on, yes. So Fourier formula only. X omega Fourier formula minus infinity to infinity x of t dot e की power minus का j omega t dt. And asking for this integral value, asking for the integral of, this is the Fourier formula itself. It means omega value 0.25. Yes, it means asking for 0.25. X 0.25 omega x 0.25 is actually equivalent to this minus infinity to infinity x of t e की power minus का 0.25 t into dt. If in the first attempt, if you are getting the answer, it means you have a strong concept, guys. X 0.25 magnitude is 2, so answer is 2 for B for Bombay. Yes, answer is 2. Answer is 2. Come on, Akansha. Shabash, very nice. You are correct. Very nice. Very nice. Shabash. Chali. Come on, it's a very good question. This first question. Try to solve the first question, guys, fast. There is a trap in the first question. What is the trap in the first question? Tell me. T square plus 2t plus 3 ut minus 2. If the question is t square plus 2t plus 3 into ut, if the question is only this, we can easily find out the Laplace transform. But here, this t minus 2 creating the problem, because when I will open the bracket, it will become t square into ut minus 2, and time shifting is not considered in entire term. So it means what I need to do, the best method to solve such type of question is just replace t with t plus 2, so that when I will replace t plus 2 now, 2 and 2 get cancelled, so ut will only left. So if I will replace t with t plus 2, I will get here xt plus 2 as a, I will get as a t plus 2 ka whole square plus twice into t plus 2 plus 3, and here is u of t. So now ultimately when you will open the bracket, you will get for sure t square plus 4t plus 2 ka whole square 4 plus 2t plus 2 2 is 4 plus 3 whole bracket close, and here we have ut. Now finally what you will get? You will get here t square plus 4t and what? This is 4t, this is 2t, it will become 60 for sure. Yes, 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 yes. And after that 4 plus 3. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11, sir, 11. Just check the calculation once, guys. Just check the calculation once. A plus b ka whole square, so t square plus 4t plus 4, yes. Now you can easily take the, Laplace transform both sides. Laplace transform, yes. When you will take the Laplace transform here, you will get x of s e ki power plus 2s is equal to factorial 2 upon s cube plus 6 upon s square plus 1 by s. And because I don't want e ki power plus 2s, I just cross multiply this. So here I will have x of s, because I don't want e ki power plus 2s, so it will be e ki power minus 2s here. So this is the answer for the first question, yes. I hope you are getting this. Just do reply yes or no. You guys getting this or not? Just try to complete it. I am waiting for you. So everyone do reply fast. Shall we go for next or wait? Chali. And do you know, guys, Laplace transform of a causal periodic signal? If such type of question will come, first you need to identify the pattern of signal, which pattern repeat itself. So the answer is, suppose that this pattern is repeating and it is representing with zt, suppose I am taking as zt. So my overall x of s is actually nothing but zs upon 1 minus fundamental time period is from here 0 to 6. So fundamental time period is 6. So e to the power minus 6s, because here fundamental time period is 6. So this is my final x of s. I am just left with z of s. And you can easily calculate the zt Laplace zs if you are able to write the equation of zt. So if I will write the equation of zt here, it is a ramp signal. So slope is 2 upon 2, slope is 1, because this distance is 2 actually. This distance is 2. Yeah. So you will say slope 2 upon 2 is 1. So you should write a ramp r of t minus 0. Now you will travel like this, but you should come downward. So downward means minus sign, and minus ka r of t minus ka 2. And when you will see from here, you will reach a step. You will see the step which is having the minus 4. So minus 4, minus ka 4, you should see minus ka 4, u of t minus ka 2. And when now you are traveling here, you are enjoying here. But at this moment again plus. So you will see plus u of plus 2u of t minus ka 4. So this is the equation. And if you are looking for zs, just take the Laplace. So ramp Laplace 1 by s square, again 1 by s square, time shifting e ki power minus ka 2s. And what is here, guys? 4 by s e ki power minus ka 2s. And what is here, guys? 2 by s e ki power minus ka 4s. Yeah. So this entire zs value, you can just substitute from here to here only, from here to numerator only. Is it clear, guys? I hope this is crystal clear to you. Shall we go for next? I hope this is crystal clear to you. Shall we go for next or wait? Shall we go for next or wait? Bataiye. So the Laplace transform of xt is this x of s. The Laplace transform of xt is this, okay. If the Fourier transform of xt is exists, then find the inverse Laplace transform of xs is what? Yes, very beautiful question. Do you know Fourier transform is only applicable for the stable signals? And as far as Laplace transform is concerned, can you find out the stability? As far as Laplace transform is concerned, guys, can you find out the stability? We know that for the stability, ROC must include imaginary axis. So first of all, you should just find the partial fraction. Just find the partial fraction, yes. So when you will find the partial fraction, what you will get? You will get s plus 2 and s minus 1. So s plus 2, s minus 2, so s plus 2 and s minus 1. So when you will put s plus 2 equal to 0, so s value is minus 2. So when just hide this part, and put s value is minus 2. So minus 2 when you will put, so 4 to the 8, so minus 8 plus 5, so minus 3. 4 to the 8, yes, so minus 8 plus 5. And when you will put s plus 2 equal to 0, so s equal to minus 2, so minus 2 and minus 3, so minus 3. So minus 3 can cancel out, so answer is 1. अरे बोलो भाई s plus 2 equal to 0, s equal to minus 2 ना, s equal to minus 2 you need to put in numerator. So 4 to the 8 minus ka 8 plus 3 minus ka 3 and minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 cancel out 1, yes. And s minus 1 equal to 0, so s equal to 1. So when you will hide this part s equal to 1, you will get 4 plus 5 9, and here is also you will get 1 plus 2 3. So 3 3 is 9. Correct answer is 3. Now student, you should also draw the pole and pole diagram. So where is the pole? So one pole is at minus 2, sir, and one pole is at plus 1, sir. Yeah, sorry, plus 1. One pole is at plus 1, yes. So don't you think to make the system stable, ROC must include imaginary axis? It means this should be right hand side and this should be left hand side. And for right side we have no precaution, but for the left hand side we have to create this form e की power plus at u of minus t. Laplace transform is nothing but 1 upon minus s plus a, and sigma is less than a. Yeah. So it means here I should write here s plus 2, sir. Sir, this should be right hand side, no precaution, sir. But here modification is required because ls. So I am just rewrite here 1 upon s plus 2 as it is, but here I am taking minus here and I am writing minus s plus 1 now. Now I can take inverse, so it will give me e की power minus का 2t ut, and it will give me minus का e की power plus 2t u of minus t. And the amplitude part is same only, 3 is here also, na 3, yes. So this is my final answer, guys. E की power minus 2t ut, e की power minus 2t ut, minus 3 e की power t u minus t. Is it D for Delhi absolutely matching with this? Is it D for Delhi absolutely matching, guys? Please do reply, you are getting this or not. You should reply, you must reply fast. अरे भाई बोलो ना, N or W. Next or wait, guys. So I think this is clear to you. Yeah. Chali. Again, one more easy question, and I must say that easy. Why easy? Because if you are my classroom student, you know how to write the mathematical equation very easily. So if the signal is x of t, let me take a signal is x of t. So write the mathematical equation. Slope is 1 by 1. So start with 1. So it is r of t. Now the line is traveling like that, downward. Downward means minus sign. Slope was 1. So it should be r of t minus 1. Now we are traveling here. Yeah. Now signal is like this, just downward again. So what is this? What is the line slope, guys? Line slope. So this is 4 to 6, 2 distance, and this is minus 1. This is minus 1 also. So 1 to minus 1, 2 distance, and 4 to 6, 2 distance. 2 by 2, 1. So you should write here minus ka r of t minus ka 4. Minus ka r of t minus ka 4. Yeah. Again we are traveling here like this in upward direction. Upward means plus sign, and it will be, guys, plus of r of t minus ka 6. It will be, guys, plus of r of t minus ka 6. Yes. Again you should touch this line. When you will touch this line, the slope is, this is difference in y 1 and this is 2. 6 or 8 difference 2. So 1 upon 2. So 0.5. So slope is 0.5. So 0.5 into r of t minus ka 6 or minus ka 0.5 r of t minus ka 8. So this is the complete equation, guys. This is the complete equation. And what examiner is saying? Laplace. Okay, sir, no problem. So Laplace 1 by s square, 1 by s square, everywhere ramps of 1 by s square. And what examiner asking? ABCD value, okay. So don't you think A coefficient, A value is by comparing this, A value is minus 1 by comparing this. T minus 4, e ki power minus 4s, e ki power minus 4s, so B value is also minus 1. C value e ki power minus ka, yes, C value is important, C value important. RT minus 6 or RT minus 6 is here. So when you will add it, it will be 1.5. So C value is 1.5, guys. Plus ka minus ka, plus ka or minus ka? Just let me know. At 6 location, what is happening? At 6 location, what is happening? Both plus, sir. At 6 location, what is happening? Both plus, sir. Both plus, sir. Both plus. So 1 is 1 and 1 is half. 1.5, sir. So asking for D, not C value. Okay, sorry, sir. So C value is 1.5, by the way. By the way, C value 1.5. Okay. And asking for D value, by the way. D value asking. So D value is nothing but minus ka 0.5. It means option number A only. क्या बोलते हो? Is it A for Ahmedabad, guy? Just match with this. Because this one and this milke C बनाएगा. This is D. This is D ना. This is D. Because e की power minus 8s. E की power minus 8s. Time shifting same sign. And ramp 1 by s square is already outside. Shall we go for next, guys? Yes or wait? Chali. So I think this question also completed. This question, come on, guys, this question, very good question it is. Very nice question, I must say. Yes. बताइए भाई. Do you want to have try? If you want to try, take the 50-second time. Take the 50-second time, guys. Yes. Is it D for Delhi, beta? क्या बात है? चलिए. I am very happy that you have solved this question in given time. So first of all, student, do you know what is the Laplace of ut plus 3? So ut plus 3 is 1 by s and e ki power plus 3s. And when you will provide time reversal u minus t plus 3, so it will be 1 by s because of minus t, so 1 by minus s and e ki power minus 3s. S will replace with minus s. And ut plus 3 ROC sigma greater than 0, but here because of time reversal sigma less than 0. And finally, if you will provide frequency shifting e ki power 2t u of minus t plus 3, so it will be 1 upon wherever s replaces with s minus 2. So minus ka s minus 2 or e ki power minus ka 3s minus 2, and ROC sigma is less than whatever t multiple 2. So sigma less than 2. So ROC sigma less than 2 first of all, and answer is minus outside 1 upon s minus 2 e ki power minus ka 3s minus 2. Exactly D for Delhi, guys. Exactly answer D for Delhi. Shabash. Exactly answer D for Delhi. Shabash. So Nutan, Soumya, Akansha, absolutely perfect. Very nice. I am very happy that you already got the answer. Before my explanation, you got the answer. Yes. Chali. Let's solve this beautiful question where you can check your concept of Laplace ROC. Laplace ROC questions. Yes. Take the time of 1 minute 20 seconds. Chali. 1 minute 20 seconds I am giving to you. 1 minute 20 seconds. Come on. Your time start now. guys, tell me. Shall we go for next or wait? Is it A? Are you sure, Akansha? Just check again. There is a difference here, non-causal also, anti-causal also. And you know that all anti-causals are non-causal, but reverse is not true. All anti-causals are non-causal, but all non-causals are not anti-causal. Anti-causal means both are in left-hand side, than anti-causal. Anti-causal also, non-causal also, yes. Chali. So I am just explaining one by one. If sigma, real part of S means sigma is less than -2, it means here 3 poles are there. If complete ROC is left hand side to the leftmost pole, it means for sure anti-causal. However, anti-causal is non-causal also, correct? But we can write anti-causal, yes. So anti-causal as well as imaginary axis does not include unstable also. Unstable and anti-causal, so P goes to 3 first of all. Now Q goes to -2 to -1. -2 to -1 again non-causal. This is non-causal. This is not anti-causal. This is not anti-causal. This is non-causal and unstable. Non-causal and unstable, it means 1. So Q goes to 1. -1 to +1. -1 to +1 means this rectangular strip containing imaginary axis, so stable and non-causal. Stable and non-causal matlab 4. So R goes to 4. And real part of S is greater than 1. It means ultimate ROC is greater than 1. It means right sided. It means causal but unstable. Causal but unstable. B. It means S goes to 2. So 3142. 3142 exactly Chennai Super King. 3142 means CSK. 3142 means CSK. Is it clear? Chennai, Nutan, Akansha, Soumya, Shabash. C for Chennai. Chaliye. So I think already completed this question. Very beautiful concept. Very beautiful concept. Property based question. Even some students recognize the property, but still they are not getting the answer because they are doing calculation mistake. So you should be fast in and accurate in properties. You should be fast and accurate in differentiation also. Sometimes we are doing silly mistake in differentiation mathematics. You should be strong in maths, guys. Make it fast. Make it fast, guys. Make it fast. Yes. Do it fast. Sorry. Sorry. Yes, guys, do reply. Shall we go for next or wait? NOW. I think question part is perfectly visible to you all. I think question part is perfectly visible to you all. Yes. Chali. I think you are almost near to final answer. Should I also start the solution? Should I also start the solution part? Yes. So tell me, guys, I am starting the question with cos t ut. I am starting my question from here. Cos of t ut, the Laplace transform is nothing but 1. Cos t, it means sine means 1. So cos t means s upon s square plus 1. Do you guys agree with me? Cos means s upon s square plus omega square. Sine means omega 0. So cos t ut, yes. And if I am providing here frequency shifting, so e की power minus का t, actually e की power minus t is exponential, है ना? So cos of t ut, e की power minus t means frequency shifting. So it will be s plus 1, wherever is s, now s plus 1. So it means I should write here s plus 1 upon s plus 1 ka whole square plus 1. I think till now you don't have any doubt. Yes sir, no doubt sir, no doubt at all sir. ये clear sir यार. After that d by dt अच्छा d by dt अच्छा d by dt e की power minus t cos of t ut Laplace transform is s into entire this value, s into entire this value. So it will be s into s plus 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 1. So it will be s square plus 2s plus 2. A plus b का whole square, a square plus b square plus twice ab ना, s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 1 2 ये. So if this is my x of t, this is my x of s, no problem sir. Now finally multiply with t. This entire term if you multiply with t, so t into d by dt e की power minus का t cos of t dot ut. Now tell me what is happening guys. बोलो बोलो. Differentiation sir. Minus का d x of s upon d of s. माइनस के साथ txt is minus का d x s upon ds. Yes. So it means this entire term means cut. Just open the bracket. So it will be s square plus s upon s square plus 2s plus 2. Yeah. And I know that some student having the answer. Is it A for Ahmedabad? क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है यार. चलो. So differentiation only left. So it means minus one already outside. Now just do differentiation. So u by v form means s square plus 2s plus 2 का whole square. And here is u by v, s square plus 2s plus 2 as it is. Differentiation of numerator, so it will become actually 2s plus 1 minus. बोलो बच्चों बाल minus क्या? S square plus s as it is. And differentiation is nothing but again differentiation of denominator. So I am not having space here, I am writing here. It is multiply with this 2s plus 2. 2s plus 2 yes. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes sir. Now finally you have to simplify the numerator part. S square plus 2s plus 2 ka whole square for sure will come. When you will multiply these two, s square plus 2s plus 2, that is 2s plus 1, yes. So when you will multiply this now, 2s plus s square, it will give you 2s cube. Then it will give you s square into 1, yes. Then next it will give you 2 to the 4s square, 2 to the 4s square. Again it will give you 2s, yes, 2s. Then next it will give you 4s and plus 2, yeah. And minus I am writing in upper side, minus 2s and s, it will give you 2s cube again. Then 2s cube and 2s square again, 2s square. Yeah, all are minus, all this is also minus, this is also minus. You open the bracket, na, plus open the brackets minus. So s square multiply, now s ka number means again 2s square. Again minus ka bhai, again minus ka 2s square. And minus ka 2s. Minus ka 2s square, not having space, minus ka 2s, yeah. So don't you think 2s cancel. Don't you think 4s square cancel, yes sir, cancel. And don't you think 2s also cancel, yes sir, cancel. So ultimately what you are left with? Ultimately you are left with s square plus 4s plus 2 I think, and upon s square plus 2s plus 2, s square plus 2s, ये 2s है भाई, s square plus 2s plus 2 का whole square, ये s square plus 2s, हो exactly matching one, exactly matching with A for Ahmedabad, शाबाश, exactly matching with A for Ahmedabad. क्या बात है यार, नूतन, आकांक्षा and सौम्या, शाबाश, very good, you are getting शाबाशी, शाबाश. चलिए बच्चों, चलो ये बताओ जरा फटाफट, ये बता दोगे तो बहुत ही शाबाशी मिलेगा. चलिए बताइए. Your time start now. मजेदार क्वेश्चन सर, आकांक्षा, very good. This is also मजेदार, this is easy also. Can you solve this question within next 30 seconds, guys? Come on, India. 30 seconds only left for this question. बोलो बच्चों बोलो, tell me, just let me know, shall we go for next or wait? Just let me know guys, shall we go for next or wait? Shall we go for next or wait? Come on. Everyone do reply fast now. No? Chalo, should I explain? Chalo, I am explaining. I am explaining now. Chalo. I am starting my question from this. Do you know? बताइए बच्चों. Do you know कि sir, if you will write -1 to +1, magnitude is 1, what is the Fourier transform of this? What is the Fourier transform of this? A tau value 2. So A value 1, 2, sampling of omega by 2. Omega by 2 is 1. So a sampling of omega. And do you know how it will open? So it will open sine of omega by omega na sir. Yes sir, yeah. And here omega plus 10. So don't you think here frequency shifting is there? Acha, frequency shifting, acha, +1. And if I will multiply with frequency shifting means e की power minus का j tan t. Frequency shifting always carry opposite sign. E की power minus का j tan t, opposite sign. So it will be what? So it will be twice into sine of omega plus 10 upon omega plus 10. क्या बोलते हो? क्या बोलते हो बच्चों? Yes or no? And if this is my x of t, this is my x of omega, this is my x of omega. And do you know area integral frequency domain, area under frequency domain, x omega d omega, area under frequency domain is nothing but 2 pi x0. देख रहे हो आप 2 pi x0 0 पे ये 1 e की पावर 0 1 ओहो 2 pi, it means 2 into pi value is 3.14. So answer is 6.28. Final answer for this question is 6.28. How many of getting? क्या बात है? Is it 4 pi or 2 pi? Are you sure 4 pi? Very good attempt, Akansha, Soumya, but check your answer beta. Is it 4 pi or 2 pi? Just let me know. N or W guys. Every student just do reply fast. Shall we go for next or wait? All of you guys just let me know. N or W guys. N or W. एनर्जी निकाल दी सर, सॉरी एरिया निकालना था. नो प्रॉब्लम आकांक्षा, नो प्रॉब्लम. हाँ स्क्वायर नहीं था ना, वो स्क्वायर नहीं था इसलिए. शाबाश, वेरी गुड. चलो तो फाइनल आंसर बता दो. फाइनल आंसर ये क्या है? ये बताइए ना. जेड ट्रांसफॉर्म 3/4 की पावर मोड ऑफ एन. अच्छा आस्किंग द जेड ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ दिस. डू यू नो कैन आई राइट स्टूडेंट x ऑफ n एज ए 3/4 की पावर mod of n? So don't you think you can write like this, 3/4 की power minus n u of minus n minus 1? I hope you agree with me. And plus, I am just splitting the limit. And you can write also 3/4 की power n u of n. And do you know its ROC is? Mod of z is greater than 3/4 un. And do you know here is mod of z is less than 4/3. So ultimate ROC is mod of z is greater than 3/4 and less than 4/3. Yes, this is the common ROC. Yes sir. And if I talk about the Z transform, of this, बताओ Z transform. Sir Z transform -1/1 -1 बोलो ना 4/3 Z inverse sir. 4/3 Z inverse sir, and plus 1 upon 1 minus का 3/4 Z inverse sir. ये I hope you remember the standard form. If you know the standard form, then only you can solve. If you don't know, I am just revising it. an un Z transform is 1 upon 1 minus का a Z inverse, mod of Z is greater than mod of a. And second is minus का a की power n, u of minus n minus 1. So Z transform is 1 upon 1 minus का a Z inverse, and ROC mod of Z is less than a. Mod of Z is less than mod of a. ये no problem Akansha, no problem beta. बताइए, ये बताइए, shall we go for next? Is it clear or not? First one. If first one is clear, then second one बताओ जरा ROC, second का ROC. Do you know second का ROC? 2/3. So second का ROC mod of Z is greater than, ये बोलता है greater than 1/3, और ये बोलता है less, किसके less? Not 2/3, 3/2. Is it like this guys? बोलो ना. And Z transform is easy. Why is easy? Because it is minus sign, so it will minus plus. So 1 upon 1/3 Z inverse get greater than this. And minus का sign or plus का sign? Plus का sign, because it is left sided ना, so plus. So 1 upon 1 minus का 3/2 Z inverse. क्या बोलते हो आप? ये. Is it matching with you? Is this matching with you? Yes or no? I hope it is also matching with you. Yes. I hope it is perfectly matching with you. Yes. चलिए बताइए. So next question. I am solving here. I am writing the question here. Keep my x of z because it is easy now. So I am going for next. 1 upon 1 minus 2 z inverse. 1 upon 1 minus का 2 z inverse. 1 upon 1 minus का 2 z inverse. And dot 1 plus ये क्या है? Half है. 1 plus half z inverse. 1 plus half z inverse. 1 plus half z. And what asking guys? What asking? Stable LTI. Stable means ROC LTI, and you find impulse response. Yes. So first of all, it is h of z given, impulse response given. H of z asking for h of n. So first of all, you have to take partial fraction, guys. Partial fraction directly in z inverse, and I know you all are comfortable in this. Yes. So 1 minus 2 z inverse equal to 0. So z inverse value will be half. बोलो हाँ या ना? 1 minus 2 z inverse equal to 0. So z inverse value will be half, and this you need to hide and put in place of z inverse you need to put half. So when you will put half, what you will get? बोलो भाई. Directly z inverse value you are getting half, and directly z inverse value you need to hide this part and put z inverse value half here. So 1 plus 1/4 na. बोलो ना 1/2, 1/4. So don't you think 4? So 5/4. 5/4 is 4/5. So it is 4/5. Are you sure? 1 plus 2 z inverse equal to 0. So z inverse actually minus 2. ठीक बात है? ठीक बात. Z inverse minus 2, just hide this part. When you will put here minus 2, so minus plus 2, so 4. और हाँ यार, so 4 plus 1 5. So I think it is 5, 1/5. Agree or not? Agree or not? 2 to the 4 minus 5, sir. Yes. Now you have to make it stable, means in the Z transform, how many poles we have, how many circle we need to create? One is 2 radius circle, one is half radius. So this is the half radius circle, and this is the 2 radius circle, and in between we have a unity circle. In between we have somewhere we have a unity circle. Yeah. So this is the half radius circle, and this is the 2 radius circle. So because you have to make it stable, so it means ROC should be mod of Z is less than 2 and should be greater than half. So it should be both sided, which is having the ROC greater than half and less than 2. Greater than half and less than 2. So now you should tell me 1 upon 1 minus ka 2 Z inverse. So it should be LS, left sided, and it should be right sided. H of Z. So left sided means it should be minus sign. Here is 4/5, and here is 2 की power n into u of minus n minus 1. Similarly, बच्चों, here when you will write plus का 1/2, again you should write minus का 1/2 की power n or u of n. So this is nothing but your x of z. This is nothing but your x of z. So examiner asking for the impulse response in this case. So we have calculated this. Now I am going for the next. बोलो बच्चों क्या बोलते हो? Shall we go for next? Shabash. So now this is a beautiful question. I am looking for this answer, guys, and I am just giving you clarity. This is one, okay. So if x or x j omega dt of t sequence, let x j omega be the dt of t sequence where x and this the value of this. Okay, बताओ जरा. बताओ जरा. चलो, I am just giving you the properties, guys. I am just giving you the properties. I hope you remember sigma of n tends to minus infinity to infinity. Mod of xn का whole square is nothing but actually 1 upon 2 pi minus pi से लेके pi बोलो ना mod of x omega और x e की power j omega का whole square d omega. Do you remember this? Do you remember this? This is called Parseval theorem in DTFT. ये आ गया DTFT आ गया आपका DTFT आ गया. Discrete time Fourier transform आ गया DTFT आ गया DTFT ये. And what it is asking for minus pi से लेके pi dx की power. And do you know this property? If x of n having the DTFT x e की power j omega, then nxn is nothing but j dx e की power j omega upon d omega. So when you will take the magnitude of j, this magnitude is nothing but j will remove. So here is because of square, no problem, j square minus 1 and nxn. So it means this should be equal to what? This should be equivalent to 2 pi sigma of n tends to minus infinity to infinity mod of nxn का whole square. ये. And by the way, limit goes to sir here. This is 0 na. So this is minus 1 sir. Minus 1 0 1 2 3 sir. So 3 पे end हो गया. So answer is nothing but sir 2 pi or sigma or limit goes to n equal to what? N equal to minus 1 2 plus 3. N equal to minus 1 2 plus 3 and here it will be sir mod of xn का whole square. nxn का whole square. nxn का whole square. ये. So what I will do? I will do 2 pi as it is. 2 pi as it is, no problem. nxn मतलब minus 1 और 3 minus 3 का whole square 4, okay. फिर 0 into 1 0 का whole square 0, okay. n means this is xn. nxn, yes, this is what 1 into minus 4 का whole square 16. फिर 2, this is location 2 nxn 2 2 जा 4 का whole square 16. फिर 3 5 जा 15 का whole square nxn का whole square. So 15 का whole square I think 225. बोलो क्या बोलते हो? Just add this, multiply with 2 pi, you get the answer. बोलो क्या आंसर आया? Just add this ना बच्चों. Add this guys. You know the addition and all. Do it fast. I am just waiting. For you. Come on, do it fast. Yes, I think it is completed. Should I wait or shall we go for next? Come on. Completed, sir. Achha, how many of you remember the important note sine of omega cn? It is DTFT going on right now. Sine omega cn upon pi n. Energy is always omega c upon pi. Energy capital E is always omega c upon pi. Omega c मतलब multiple of this upon pi. ये. So here asking for the energy. अच्छा, जानता नहीं है आपको. Asking for the energy. Omega c means 3 pi by 4 upon omega c upon pi. So pi कट गया. Answer is 3 by 4, 0.75. 0.75. Is this clear? This is the very important trick. Yes. Generally, no question has been asked till now in the GATE exam, but definitely there is a scope that examiner can ask. Chaliye. Shall we go for next, guys? I think there is a lag of 10 seconds, so I think you guys already completed this. Just do reply at least. Shall we go for next? Are you getting this now parallelly? Do reply. Chalo. Do you know the difference between DFT and FFT? I hope you remember. As far as n point DFT is concerned, and as far as n point FFT is concerned. So in the n point DFT, the complex multiplication complex multiplication is nothing but n square, and complex addition is nothing but n minus 1, and that is the biggest drawback of DFT. So that is why this is time taking. So that is why fast Fourier transform come into picture, and it allow us the complex multiplication will be n by 2 log 2n, and here it will be n log 2n. So what examiner asking for? If complex multiply operation takes 1 microsecond time taken to compute n equal to 1024, it means n value 1024, point DFT is t1. So if I am looking for t1 time, my t1 time is nothing but n square. N square means 1024 ka whole square into 1 microsecond. 1 microsecond means, you know, 1 microsecond means 1 into 10 ki power minus 6. This is complete t1 value, you can do calculation, yes. And if I talk about t2, time taken to compute 102 point FFT, t2, FFT, it means it will be n by 2, n by 2 means 1024 by 2 log of 2 1024 or into 10 की power minus 6 क्योंकि 1 microsecond ये. So both the time you guys can calculate with using the calculator. Make it fast. Is it clear or not? If it is clear, do reply na. Do reply in chat box CC if it is crystal clear. And just try to make the number of likes 50. Till now 34 likes we have. Just try to make it 50 guys. 50, 50, make it fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next, my dear students? चलिए, beautiful question. MSQ. Again, MSQ is waiting for you. MSQ, very beautiful question. And I will feel very much happy if you will do this. If you will do this now, it means I am very much happy if you will do this. Yeah. Chalo, try to attempt it fast. I am just waiting for you. Come on. Your time start now. Come on guys, come on. Try to attempt it fast. I am waiting. Yes, your time running guys, last 45 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on. As I told you, it is MSQ. I hope you are attempting it. I hope you are attempting it. Chaliye. So now it's my turn. Chalo, one by one we'll solve. Yes. A discrete time sequence xn equal to 102 minus 3 1 minus 1 is defined for this value. Okay. Capital X0. Do you know capital XK? Do you know XK value at k equal to 0 is actually nothing but sigma of n equal to 0 to 5. 0 to what? 5. 0 to 5 and x of n. It means just add these values, just add this simply. So you will get 1 plus 0, just add it, 1 plus 0 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 minus 1. So answer is, don't you think 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 and 4 can cancel 0. 0 means option number A for Ahmedabad is absolutely correct. And it is a MSQ by the way. So it is a multiple select question. Option number A for Ahmedabad correct. Why correct? Because small x is capital X given. Capital X is DFT actually, yes. And do you know, if I talk about IDFT formula, xn equal to 1 upon capital N, 1 upon capital N, and it is k equal to 0 to 5 x of k. And if I am looking for x n 0, if I am looking for x n equal to 0, then I will get this actually, because e की power 0 will be 1, ये. And what examiner asking? Exactly this, k equal to 0 to 5 xk, exactly this value. Exactly this value examiner asking. Exactly this value examiner asking. So what I need to do? I need to capital N cross multiply. Capital N into small x0. Capital N into small x0 is the answer, sir. Capital N is 5 by the way, sir. Capital N is 6 point na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 point. 0 to 5 is 6 point DFT. So N value is 6 actually. Capital N value is 6. 0 to 5 limit. Upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. 6 limit. So N value is 6. X0 value is 1. So 6 into 1, 6. It means this value is also correct, sir. Sir. A option correct. B option correct by the way. Till now A and B correct. Till now A and B correct. Yes or no? Till now A and B correct. Yes. What about x3? And how many of you remember? I don't know. Xk equal to, if I will put k equal to n by 2, if I will put k equal to n by 2, then I will get this for sure. I will get, this is again the property, n equal to 0 to 5, n equal to 0 to 5, because total length is 6, 0 to 5, minus 1 की power n x of n, ये. If you remember this property. By the way, here capital N value is 6. By the way, here in this question, capital N value is 6. So n by 2 means capital 3 only, x of 3 only, yes, x of 3 only. And do you know minus 1 की power n? It means even value plus 1, odd value, odd number of values, मतलब odd location value minus 1, odd location. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 1 or minus 1. Starting location 0, this is 1 location, so 0 only, no problem, but minus 0 actually. This is 0, 1, 2, 2 value is plus only, but next location is minus sign, so minus 1 and minus 3 plus 3. The next is plus 1, and last location 5, minus 1 की power 5, minus 1. So minus 1, this also give, this also plus 1. So ultimate answer is 2 और 1 3, 3 3, 6 plus 7 plus 8. बोलो क्या बोलते 8. So exactly same sir, 8. So it means C be correct. Till now A, B, C correct. Till now A, B, C correct. It is a MSQ guys, MSQ. So till now A, B, C option is correct. Till now. Till now A, B, C option is correct, sir. Yes sir, getting sir. What about mode of, this is asking simple mode of action square energy only. Just do it. So 1 का whole square plus 0 का whole square, 2 का whole square 4, 3 का whole square 9, 1 का whole square 1, 1 का whole square 1. So of course it is not 12 sir, 9 plus 13. So this is wrong sir. So correct answer for this question is A, B, C correct, MSQ. It is a MSQ and A, B, C option correct. Akansha क्या बोलते हो? Yes or no? चलिए. So let's go for the next question. It is very important, very beautiful question. I like this question very much. Try to solve this fast. Come on. Try to solve this question fast, guys. Try to solve this question fast, guys. Yeah. Do you know it is nothing but the energy of xn? If it is xn ka whole square means xn ka energy. So if here is my x of n signal is sine of 2n upon pi n ka whole square, it is nothing but sine 2n upon pi n ka energy. And I know the energy is nothing but omega c upon pi. Omega c value is this pi. So here the value of this summation is nothing but 2 by pi. So answer of this summation is 2 by pi. Yes. And 2 by pi is equivalent to capital A. So here I am getting the capital A value is 2 by pi for sure. 2 by pi for sure. For sure. Yes. And here I will apply the Parseval theorem because I know that कि सर e की power minus का 2t ut, e की power j omega plus 2. So e की power minus 2t ut का Fourier transform होता है 2 plus j omega. And sir हमको ये भी पता है कि this is x of t ना. If this is x of t, then this is x of omega, sir. If this is x of t, then this is x of omega, sir. Sir. Yeah. It means here what you will do? Here you will do minus infinity to infinity. You will do 1 upon 2 plus j omega के mode का whole square. This is x omega whole square actually. So it should be equal to minus infinity to infinity mode of x omega whole square is nothing but a 2 pi mode of xt whole square. And by the way, to compensate this 2 2's, I should multiply 2 to both sides. So 2 to the 4 pi outside only. and energy of xt, अरे यार energy of e की power minus 2t ut, e की power minus 80 ut energy 1 by 2a, so 1 by 4, so 4 cancel, so pi. So don't you think b value is pi? Examiner is asking for ab, a value 2 by pi, b value is pi. So I am just multiplying a into b. Numerically entry question, a value is 2 upon pi and b value is pi, so pi get cancelled, so answer is 2. So numerically entry question answer is 2 guys. The final answer for this question is 2. Final answer for this question is 2. क्या बोलते हो? Is it clear to you? बोलो बोलो बच्चों, बोलो बोलो यार. Yes sir, शाबाश. Beautiful question it is. If you also think that beautiful, just do reply in chat box, yes or no. Yes sir, बोलो भाई. Again a short trick. Do you know SI and sync of K 80 का sampling Nyquist rate, directly Nyquist rate, sync of 80 Nyquist rate is A. So Ka का Nyquist rate is Ka hertz, Ka in hertz, yes. So here sync square 100,000 T. So first one, if I talk about this one only, first one. So इसका Nyquist rate N1, Nyquist rate N1 is 2000 hertz, and इसका N2 Nyquist rate is N2 Nyquist rate 3 into 2000 6000 hertz. And because in time में convolution in time is nothing but multiplication in frequency. क्या बोलते हो? Convolution in time is nothing but multiplication in frequency. And in the multiplication, when frequencies are multiplied, the minimum of AB, minimum of N1, N2 you will get, minimum of N1, N2. So final answer is nothing but, final Nyquist rate is nothing but a minimum of N1, N2, minimum of N1, N2, a minimum of 2000, 6000. So answer is 2000 hertz guys. It is asking in kilohertz, so you should write 2 kilohertz guys. So you should type 2 only here, 2 is the only answer, 2 kilohertz. क्या बोलते हो? Yes or no? Are you getting this or are you guys getting this? Do reply fast बच्चों. Akansha, getting or not? Am I audible na? Everything is clear or not beta? Chali guys. Okay guys, so we have last question here. Do you know DFT of Xn? How many of you know this? If you attend my classes, DFT of Xn is actually nothing but root n into x of n. And do you know what is capital N here? Capital N value is 4 here actually. So root n means root 4 means 2 to the 4, so it means 4 into x of n. And x of n value is itself 1, 2, 3, 2. It is only applicable for those signal which satisfy this condition x of n equal to x of minus n. And it satisfies because this value is same. So asking the final answer is nothing but just 4 inside the bracket. So 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8. So 4 8 12 8. 4 8 12 8 means option number B for Bombay. By the way, x of n value is given to you and asking for DFT of Xn. So if you know this box, you can easily solve this question. It is a gift for you guys. Yes, chali. Now, this is the second last question today's class. Easy question. Come on, tell me. Minus infinity to infinity mode of xt whole square dt. Parseval theorem says that it should be equivalent to 1 upon 2 pi. It should be equivalent to 1 upon 2 pi minus infinity to infinity mode of x omega whole square d omega. And you all know that this value is short trick we have for the triangular a square by 3 into b. Because the axis is different, so no problem, 1 upon 2 pi outside already. Now this is triangular a square by 3 into b, a means 2. So 2 ka whole square by 3 into b, and b means minus 5 to minus 1 distance, that is 4, a 4 plus. Again a square means 2 ka whole square upon a square by 3 into b, and b is nothing but minus 1 se leke 3 ka distance, that is 4. So my final answer, 1 by 2 pi already outside the bracket, 2 ka whole square 4, 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 16 by 3 is nothing but guys 32 by 3. बोलो क्या बोलते हैं? So final answer 2 से ये cancel 16 time, 2 से 16 time cancel. So 16 upon 3 pi is the final answer. 16/3 pi is the final answer for the first question. Just check this. Nutan Kumari, thank you sir. Welcome madam, welcome Nutan. After that we have one more. After that, this is the last question. This is the last question. Okay. And by the way, what is the answer of this? Minus infinity to infinity xt e की power this is the Fourier formula guys. Minus infinity to infinity x of t dot e की power minus का j omega t dt. So can you compare the omega value? Omega value, sir, it should be equal to x minus 3, sir. And do you know x minus 3 is 2? So final answer for this question is 2. This question answer is 2. Yes. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care, love you all. That's all from today's class. We have planned 3-hour session. Okay, we have just completed the session. It is more than 3 hours even. Okay, so just follow the IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel. If you want the PDF of this session, just join the Telegram group. Okay, and if you are looking for the IMS Gate Academy complete structure gate preparation, then definitely you can contact on this number, and once you will enroll, these all are the features you will get. That is very unique feature, unmatchable features that we are providing at IMS Gate Academy. So bye bye guys, take care, that's all. हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें, खूब पढ़ते रहें, and अपने पेरेंट्स को प्राउड फील कराते रहें. चलिए, bye bye, take care, that's all for today's session.